Let's go! Let's go!
Timer's ticking. Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started.
Come on! Vikings! This is the time! Spam the swords! Spam the shields! 20K is upon us! Come on! Yo, what's going on? What's going on? Let's jump on it. Let's jump on it. We got $19,900 BTC. Guys, we got a special ceremony today. A very, very, very special ceremony that may need to go down today. Because what did I tell you guys? We break the bear market resistance band. What could go on Jordan's head? Well, you might ask, what could go on Jordan's head? I don't know. What could go on Jordan's head? Guys, come on. This is not the day to troll, man. Man. Unless you guys are actually not trolling me today. Let's see. No, you guys are trolling me, man. You guys are trolling me. What's going on? Fellas? 19,900. Today might have to be the ceremony, man. Here it is. The Bears are a little salty. I can already see it in the chat. Oh, my God. You guys are looking at too many 8K thumbnails. Oh, my Lord. Man. Anyways, 19,900. What has to come on tonight? That's the big question. What's going to come on tonight? Is it the moon helmet? Are we going to put on the moon helmet tonight? That's the question. You guys let me know. Anyways, guys, what a freaking day. 19,900. Now, here's the deal, my friends. Here's the deal. You guys remember when we were down here? But Jordan, where's the money going to come from? There's no way we can pump. I'm a pencil neck. Come on, man. Anyways, 200-day moving average absolutely smashed. We got the daily close above the 200-day moving average. And what has that meant for Bitcoin in its history? Well, we'll go back and check today, but it hasn't meant good things for the bears when Bitcoin gets back above that 200-day moving average on a daily close. We'll talk about it. We'll talk about it, man. Anyways. Let's see. Savvy said 20K in 2025. Didn't know 2025 came so fast. I did see. Savvy said that we would never see 25K. It's like the opposite of me when I said Bitcoin would never go below 20K and I had to eat the sock. Savvy said we wouldn't see 20K until 2025. So I guess we both took the L. We both took the absolute L, but I think it's time. I think it's time that we have a little ceremony today, my friends. All right, because Bitcoin did get back above that 200-day moving average. You know it has to happen. All right, and for everyone new, you haven't seen this in a while, right? You haven't seen Jordan look like this in a long time. All right, but I think it's time. I think it's time. So let's have the ceremony, guys. All right, let's have the ceremony. Let's go. Let's go, man. Anyways, we got the moon helmet. Let's freaking... John said gun go down. Anyways, let's go, man. That was pretty epic, man. That was pretty freaking epic. Anyways, I'm dead right now. Anyways, you guys are killing me in the chat. Absolutely killing me in the chat. He said time to go down now. Amp Knight said I got a big jar of green pickles for Savvy. It's not over yet for Savvy, right? Let's not get too overzealous yet. let's not get too overzealous yet. All right. Anyways, let's jump on in. So, guys, where are we looking at for Bitcoin next? Right? Actually, let's go to Bitcoin right now. We're about to breach 20K. Is Java about to get liquidated? Here we go. Oh my God, we're sitting at 19,99999 right now. Oh my, there it is. There it is. It's done. 20K. Boom, bitch. The moon helmet. You put the moon helmet on, you see what happens when you put the moon helmet on. Next target, guys, 20,200, which is the 786 Fibonacci over here on the chart. So the 786 Fibonacci, or Fibonacci level, in all seriousness, what was from the swing high to the swing low is at 20,200. So that's the next level of confluence there. But we did just smack 20K on the stream right there. So that's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see if we can get any more juice here for Bitcoin. 20,044. Let's get the party started in this bitch. You know what it is. It might be that kind of stream where we just kind of watch Bitcoin today, guys. Altcoins kind of settling off, right? Let's go. Why am I excited for Bitcoin? So real quick. I know Bitcoin's pumping, but why is Jordan excited for Bitcoin? I was looking at Bitcoin all day and I was looking like this. Hold on. This was me today. Look at that, man. That was me. Look at that thing, man. What are they doing? What the frick are they doing? But that was me all day. Anyways, why do I like Bitcoin's price action? I mean, it's for a couple different reasons. We did have the bear flag, right? So the bear flag that we've been looking at forever here was this upward sloping trend line and this upward sloping trend line, right? So you had a bear flag that was forming, and we know this bear market, okay? We know that this bear market has been just consistent bear flag after bear flag after bear flag after bear flag, right? And just zoom out on the daily. It's been bear flag after bear flag after bear flag, right? Bear flag, dump, bear flag, dump, bear flag, dump, bear flag, dump. But what we were able to do today was something very different than we haven't been able to do in a long freaking time. And yes, it's not only are you seeing warning shots fired in the charts right now, but you did three things today that I really liked. What's the three things? You got a daily close above the 200-day moving average, okay? You got a daily close above this downtrend of resistance right here, okay? Number two. Number three, you finally, for the first time in the bear market, were able to reclaim a bear flag resistance, okay? So you did everything in the daily I was looking for. I'm looking at the chart, and to be honest, I don't really see anywhere that Bitcoin, to me, I don't see where Bitcoin comes down until at least you come up to 21,300 here, which is the next previous high. And if we can get above that, all of a sudden we have our first higher high of the bear market. So let's see what we got. But I don't put this moon helmet on for no reason, okay? I don't put the moon helmet on for no reason. What's the biggest thing that we were watching for Bitcoin? It was this, my friends. The reclaim of the bear market resistance band, which was here at spanning from 18,500 to 19,300. And I will say this. For all you guys that were spitting on my chest down here saying, when I said that Bitcoin was going to get back over the bear market resistance band 64 weeks before the next halving, you guys were calling me an idiot. Here we are. 64 weeks before the halving. Down here, that seemed impossible, didn't it? Didn't it? It did. You didn't think it was going to happen, did you? And there it is. 64 weeks before the halving. The same pattern that it always does every single bear market. Every single bear market. Same thing. So there it is. Like magic. Back above it. Now we need to get a weekly close above it. But I'm willing to put the moon helmet on. Because I like the way the daily looks. And I'm not going to hide behind a mask. Well, I'm going to hide behind a space helmet here. But that's what I'm looking at. All right? So let's go back to Bitcoin. 20,045. I think we need a little bit of a pump song today. Okay? I do think we need a little bit of a pump song. I'm sorry for the Bears, right? Real quick. I got to tell the Bears this. Just real quick. I mean, I think the Bears need a little bit of sympathy here. Okay? Bears, I know how you feel. I've been there. You had 2 months to buy at 15,000. 2 months, multiple chances to buy at 15K. But you got bearish at the lows. Just so you got bullish at the highs last year. The market always reacts the same. Look at it right now. I'm speaking right now, and it's still going up. You got bearish at the lows, just like you FOMO'd at 69K. But it's okay. You'll have another chance. Maybe in 2023. But it's okay. It's okay. Next time you'll get them. Just keep shorting. 8K coming anytime soon. See ya, bitch. Hey, you guys wanted to troll me the whole year? I'm trolling you back. Suck it. If you can't take it, don't give it, bitch. All right, here we go. 20,300. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's keep this rolling, baby. Come on, 20,300. You know what we need now. Where's the next target? We know what the next target is. 21,300 is our next target. That's the next local high for Bitcoin. Let's freaking get busy. All right? Let's freaking get busy. Savvy's bullish now. Savvy said we work in above 20K into 2025. So now Savvy has to be bullish. If he's not, he's lying. He's lying. So there we go. All right, 20,300. Let's get busy. That's what we're waiting for right here at the end of the day. Let's go check out Ethereum real quick. So Ethereum's kind of chilling. Altcoins are kind of chilling. There's some altcoins that are doing well today, but most of them are kind of lagging a little bit behind Bitcoin. Now, ETH, if we actually look at the daily chart on Ethereum, look what ETH did, man. ETH also broke out of the daily downtrend of resistance here. And it also, if we go to the weekly time frame, what is ETH doing? Remember when we looked at this triangle? You guys were certain it was going to break to the downside. Here we are. We still got 3 days left to the close. But we are back above the bear market resistance band. And we are peeking our little head above this resistance. We need the close up here, okay? And we got, like we said, we got today, we got Saturday, we got Sunday until the weekly close. But all of a sudden, there it is, my man. And, you know, I mean, we can talk nonsense all we want. But in the history of Bitcoin, when it gets back above the 200-day EMA, or sorry, the 200-day moving average, in the history of Bitcoin, it goes on a run. So I will say, keep shorting it. Keep shorting it. You're just going to give it the flu. The flu. You're going to give it the fuel. And I'll see you at least here at 21.3. All right, sound good? The old barriers are still there. Oh, I'm sure. I'm sure. Let's see. This is all Bitcoin strength, Bitcoin dominance. Yeah. No, in all seriousness, let's be serious for 2 seconds. I'm going to stop trolling for 2 seconds here. Let's be serious. We just tagged that 786. This was the 200-day moving average. I mean, you just got a massive pump above that 200-day moving average. Like it was freaking butter there, man. Like it was freaking butter. Now, here's the deal, man. I mean, here's the deal. You're going to have... I'm going to tell you exactly how it's going to go right now, all right? I'll tell you this. I'm going to keep it 100 with you guys.
Rant alert.
Right? The people who are going to tell you this is a bear trap are in cash, okay? Or are short. The people who are going to tell you this is not a bear trap own crypto. Let's be real. That's how it's going to be. So if you see people in the chat going, it's a bear trap, it's a bull trap, I mean. You already know that they're probably in cash. And that's why they're saying that. All right? They would not think that was the case if they weren't. All right? Let's keep it 100. So you're going to hear multiple opinions right now. Multitude of opinions. Okay? We need to wait for the weekly close this week. Above the bear market resistance band. That's what we need to freaking do. All right? That's what we need to do here. Let's see. 20,450 target will be met. True. Let's be real. We know that's true, right? And this is coming from me. I might be a little bullish because I own crypto, right? Now, I actually think the charts are going to go up. I've been saying that since the lows. I'm not just turning bullish now. But that is the case. And we know that is true, right? I think if you've been in crypto a long time, you know yourself, right? If you're in cash, you're going to be bearish. If you're not, you're going to be bullish. Let's keep it 100 here. But yeah, I mean, like I said, from here, I don't see really any resistance to 21,400. So that's what we're going to wait for. And we'll sort of watch on the charts. You do have a little 786. I don't know how much that's going to hold, really, but we'll see. And I will say this, like, just a quick rant alert here. The indicators on Bitcoin are so overbought right now. Like, I already know what everyone's saying in the chat, right? I'm not even looking at the chat right now. I already know people in the chat are saying this. You're bullish, bro? Do you see the daily RSI? Do you see the MACD bearish divergence? Do you see the vector candles below? Right? That's what people are going to be saying in the chat. But a lot of those people haven't been around for a true Bitcoin rally where Bitcoin does not give a flying shit, okay? Does not give a flying shit about your RSI, does not give a flying shit about your vector candles, does not give a flying shit about your bearish divergence. We've seen massive bearish divergence this whole way up, and Bitcoin has not given two flying Fs. All right? Trying to pick where Bitcoin's going to top right now is like trying to find a needle from a haystack. I don't know where it's going to top. You don't know where it's going to top. We just got to let Bitcoin do its thing. But I'm going to tell you this. If you keep shorting, you are putting yourself at risk, because trying to short this beast right now is going to keep getting you hit. It's going to keep getting you liquidated. And I'm just going to be honest. You're like doing the opposite. You're trying to catch a falling knife to the upside. Good luck. I'm just going to say, good luck to you. That's it. I mean, good freaking luck to you. Anyways. 21K next. 21K. I'm looking at 21.3, man. 21.3 is where we're looking at right now. Let's see. Goodbye SBF. Hey, we just retraced. Guys, can we have a little pump song in here? We just retraced the entire SBF dump. Well, not always, not the whole thing, but we basically just erased the entire SBF dump. Can we get a little rejoice to put that chapter behind us, right? Bitcoin dumped because of SBF. Now it's coming up. I think we needed one pump song in remembrance of SBF, that little bitch who's probably going to get it up the ass by Becker in jail, right? Right, Becker? Becker. What do you think I am? I'm not gonna peck SBF. I only peck moms. SBF is about to get railed by every single large criminal in jail, right? He's about to drop the soap so many freaking times, he's about to get pecked. I only peck moms, all right? And basically Cardano holders' moms, all right? We need one pump song in remembrance of SBF, all right? While he cries. Here we go. Ow! Ow! Ronald! Ow! I thought we were cellmates! Ah! Ah! No, you're not Caroline! I'm not gonna say you're Caroline! Ow! Oh, the people in jail are gonna be doing this to SBF, let me tell you. They're going to be doing this to SBF. SBF's about to get railed. All right. Anyways, I'm having too much fun with this. Oh, my Lord. SBF is about to get absolutely plastered. Just like this. All right. Anyways. 20,242. All right. All right, here we go. Let's go back to BTC here. I'm sweating balls already this stream, man. All right. All right. Let's come back over here. Oh, man. Oh, freaking man. All right, let's do some altcoins. Like we said, ETH at 1466. I mean, listen, I'm looking up for Ethereum here. And, I mean, to be real, you guys were making fun of this little ascending triangle here. There it is. It broke to the upside. There it is, man. This is why never think anything's impossible. I've made that mistake before, right? You guys remember me. I didn't think Bitcoin was going to go below 20K. I didn't think it was possible. And it did. Now, I mean, we're back above it now, which is good. But the thing is, never say anything is impossible. I never want to. I want this to be a lesson to the bears. Even if this rally does not continue, I want this to be a lesson to the bears. To say, never say, where is the money going The money can always come in. What drives price? Narrative, okay? Narrative. If other people see prices going up, shorts are going to get covered, people are going to buy, okay? Price can always go up. Doesn't matter how bad things look. If things look bad for a long time and you see price action go sideways, that's usually when the prices are going to have a massive move up. Because people buy when the prices go up. Same thing. People buy when the prices go down. You think it's impossible Bitcoin can just dump from here? It's not impossible. No, it's not impossible. And I won't say it's impossible. But always remember that. It's never impossible for a pump. And it's never impossible for a dump. Ever. Ever, 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 ever. It's one of the biggest things I learned, especially this year. Anything's possible, especially in crypto. All right, anyways, the measure move for this did put you back up to these previous highs, right? So Ethereum, kind of the same deal. I mean, the next level I'm looking at for ETH, crazy enough, is back up at 1659. I know that sounds absolutely crazy now. I mean, really, does it? Does it? I mean, we were saying 1444 was crazy back down when ETH was down here at 1K, no? I don't think 1664 is terribly out of the question, right? It might take us a little bit. We might not moonshot straight up there. I know what's going to happen. The first little hourly red candle that pops up, all the bears are going to start jerking off and saying, oh, bear market rally, bro. You already know it's going to be. I'm going to see thumbnails by all the perma bears that can't just switch their bias for a short term. It's okay. For all the perma bears out there, you can be bullish or bearish on short-term time frames and still be bearish in the long term, right? It's okay to be bullish in the short term. I see so many people getting caught up in the bearish narrative. They think a pump is impossible. It's crazy, dude. Come on. But anyways, 1667 is where I'm looking at, 1667. Just very basic. We're not doing it. I know all you guys will say, oh, daily stock RSI is topped out. Okay, cool. Does that really matter this whole way up?
Stupid. Nope.
Right, so just remember that. Just remember that. All right, let's see. 20,266. Let me see. Oh, wait. I got you, Wayne. I remember you, buddy. You said if you were very, very quiet, you can hear the bears say, oh my butt, oh my butt, oh my butt. Please stop. Oh my. I got to read the whole thing now. Oh my butt, I quit. My ass is wrecked. I love it, Wade. You sound like, you're like Dr. Seuss, my guy. You're like Dr. Seuss. You're freaking crazy, bro. You're crazy. All right, here comes Bitcoin now. All right. This is going to be a good one. I can tell this is going to be a good freaking stream. You guys ready for the God candle? I don't think you guys are even ready for the God candle, man. The funny thing is on this pump is we haven't even seen that one candle that just leaves everyone in disbelief. We've been kind of slow grinding up. We haven't seen that God candle where everyone fumbles back in. I'm telling you. This is what happens when you get back above the 200 daily in Bitcoin's history. You usually see a God candle. Doesn't mean FOMO. This time could be different, but that's been the case in Bitcoin's history, right? If you go back and look at all these times, right? Obviously, it's the first time we've been above the 200-day moving average since December of 2021. You got to go back 14 months till we got back above there. You got back above it right here. Obviously, we went full send from about 42K all the way to 48K. Let's go back. Let's go all the way back in time. Right here, look at this. You got back above it right here. You went from 7K all the way up to 8,800. Let's see. Right here, absolute God, Jesus candle from about 8,600 to about 10,300. Let's go back to over here. You got, see, this one, I guess you came up to it, got rejected. But I mean, this was a pretty sizable candle into it. I think this was about a 6.78% candle. So I guess it's kind of similar to what you had today, I guess. But I mean, if you go back, I mean, in history, that's been a pretty good sign in history. So let's see what we get, right? I'm just going based off history. If history doesn't repeat, okay. I mean, you move on to the next one. You move on to the next trade. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You move on to the next trade. And then you switch your bias and you go back to being bearish. It's okay. It's okay. You can switch your bias. Let's go back to, you guys are saying, ETH is coming right now, 1475. Oh no, we're good. We're good. Psycho Pearl said shorting 10,000x. Well, you're probably already liquidated, man. Sorry, Psycho. Sorry, man. OG said, you said any rally will result in a dump to 14K. I don't know if I ever said that, man. And if I did, I think I said if Bitcoin was able to get back above the bear market resistance band, the moon helmet was going back on. No. Oh, where's the moon helmet, by the way? I'm already lost. What the hell is wrong with me, man? What you got? Vikings, you need to tell me when I don't have the moon helmet on a day like this. It's ridiculous and ridiculous of me. Ridiculous of me, man. Absolutely. One more thing on Bitcoin, by the way. Just one more thing I want to look at here. I want to see if the 2-week MACD has flipped. Let's see. Actually, one more thing, I guess. What was the ultimate signal? Not only getting above the bear market resistance band in 64 weeks, 5 more weeks every single time. Boom. It's like magic, man. You also broke the weekly bearish, the weekly RSI downtrend. As soon as you did that, you absolutely went on liftoff. That was absolutely fantastic. And what was the other thing I want to look at? One more thing. You guys we want to see altcoins. We want to see altcoins. We're altcoin degens. I'm an altcoin degen too. I'm not going to lie. The 2-week MACD. Oh, we're getting pretty close. We're getting pretty close. Oh my Lord. Look at the flip. Oh my Lord. Look at the flip, man. If we even go up a little bit higher, this might flip next on the next 2-week candle, which actually is coming up on Sunday. Oh, look what happened this time. What happened over here? We'll see. We'll see, but we're very close. We need this to continue. Probably a little bit higher, but this is looking pretty freaking juicy. We'll see, though. We'll see. Higher term time frames look pretty dope, man. I'm not going to lie. Like, I might sound like a moon boy, but this is just a classic deviation, man. Look at total market cap real quick. This is, and we said this yesterday. Can you spell deviation? The bears can't spell deviation. But the bulls, I guess, actually, where's the Bitcoin chart? This is a better example. Can you spell deviation? D-E-V-I, there it is. O-I-O-N. Low, low, deviate the low, get back in. Boom. There it is. There it is. There it freaking is, man. Anyways, I'll stop being boring. 20,391. Here we go. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, man. Come on, man. 20,378. Get up there, boy. Dan said D's nuts. That's how you spell deviation. D's nuts. D's nuts. UD said stop trolling the bears. Listen, you got to understand, man. If the bears can't take it, what you say?
Rant alert.
You say stop trolling the bears. What were they doing to anyone that was maybe bullish for 2 seconds 2 weeks ago? What were they doing to me 2 weeks ago? They were calling me an idiot. They were calling me an idiot. So, we give it back. That's what we do. We give it back. You know why? Because if you can't give it, you can't take it. Well, I guess it's the other way. It's the other way. And don't make any jokes about if you can't give it, you can't take it, you weirdos. I know you guys are already coming in with the jokes right now. Are you serious, bro? If you can't give it, you can't take it. What are you, SBF? You're freaking weird, man. I'm never watching the stream again. I'm unsubscribing. This guy's freaking weird, man. He's freaking weird. Oh, man. Wayne said they were verbally effing you in the ass. They were verbally effing me in the ass. You know what it is. They were literally verbing in the ass. Anyways, let's see. So ETH. All right, let's go do some altcoins. Let me know, guys. Any altcoins you want me to check out, let me know. We're probably going to jump around today's stream because everything's moving, man. Everything's moving one over the other. It's hard to sort of concentrate on one thing here. I'm not used to this. I got to get back in the sort of uplifting stream mode here. I'm not used to it. I'm used to doom and gloom streams, you know? Lord. Dangerfield said, can you say hi to Donovan? He's playing the Money Mountain game with me. Yeah, I'm assuming he's a kid. He probably like this.
Strap up, we're going to the moon.
What's going on, Donovan? Good to see you, buddy. And then we got Amp Knight said, I got a big old jar of green pickles for Savvy. You gotta love the big old jar of green pickles for Savvy. Holy Lord. All right, let's sort this. Let's sort this by. Oh my God, Solana. Oh my Lord, Sol, give it to him, baby. Look at the Solana setup. Look at the Solana setup. It took a while to play out, but look at that, man. The same exact setup as last time. This is beautiful, man. Look at this. Look at this setup. Rise, bull flag, retrace to the 30 and 50 EMA, pump, rise, retrace to the 30 and 50 EMA, pump. The same exact setup Sol gave you twice. It's beautiful. It's absolutely sexy. Oh my Lord. And for all the Sol haters out there, and listen, at one point, you know, I wasn't that confident Sol was going to bounce back. But if you look at Sol, is it going to retrace? So we already saw Bitcoin retrace the whole FTX dump. Is Sol about to say F you to the Sol haters? If you sold Sol right here, oh my Lord. Oh, man. You, you did yourself a disservice. But Sol, I mean, guys, Sol really doesn't have any resistance up till 27 bucks. And I'm not just saying that to be a moon boy. It just doesn't, man. It went straight down, and if you look left, it went straight up, right? Straight up, straight down. It's got nothing till 27. I don't see why Sol can't get back to 27 and within. I mean, like I said, you're probably going to have a pullback somewhere in here that gets the bears excited, right? But I don't see why you can't get back to 27. But Sol absolutely rocking it. And I will say this. CZ, even CZ is trolling the bears right now. Look at this. If you bought the dip because of FUD, you should thank them. If you sold because of it, then unfollow and unsubscribe, report and block. Don't keep low quality information sources that makes you poor. Choice and action are what you can control. Even CZ is coming to troll. You know what it is. If CZ is coming to troll, I think it's time that for the Sol pump and for CZ, we need to wake up Asia. That's what I think we need to do. Asia hasn't even woke up yet, bro. Asia is just waking up now. Oh, Lord, this is great. This is not Indian music, is it? I don't know, man. I don't know. Listen, India is in Asia, so it technically is Asia. No, it is technically, right? I mean, am I wrong? India is in Asia. I could be wrong. I'm pretty sure it is. Unless I'm really just I'm a low IQ idiot, which, you know, I've been called a low IQ idiot before. you know, BitBoy's gonna come in and start calling me a low IQ idiot. TJ, get this idiot out of the chat. He's playing an Asian song and it's an Indian song. This guy's literally an idiot, bro. Get him out of the chat. He's low IQ. This freaking Jordan guy. He sucks. He sucks. Get him out of my chat, TJ. Right? I mean, we know what it is. All right, Bitcoin's still rocking and rolling, man. It's tough to get off Bitcoin. 20,500. Still just rocking and rolling. Like I said, I don't see anything until 21,400, bro. This is great. This is great, man. This is great. Yeah, I mean, listen, we've been battered for so long. It's great to see the cards flip just a little bit, right? It is great. It feels good. It's nice. I know a lot of people in the Discord have been killing it with trades, man. Killing it with trades. Long in the 30 and 50 EMA pullbacks. You guys have been killing the trades, man. I love it. I love it, man. I love it. And I'll say this. Anyone can trade when the market's going up. Anyone can trade when the market's going up. I'm gonna be honest. And listen, sometimes I'll be like, okay, trading's trading, but when the market's going up, anyone can trade when the market's going up. All right. Anyways, here we go. 21,470. Come on, BTC. Give me a little juice. Come on. Dan said, all right, when the bull market back, when Vegas. I got PTSD from last time I was in Vegas. You know, got kicked out of the Mirage. Oh, man, those were good times. Remember when we got kicked out of the Mirage? We got kicked out of our hotel last time we were in Vegas. It was pretty good. Let's see, man. Look at ETH. Oh, my God, this is great. This is absolutely great, man. I love you guys. I love you guys. This is great. All right, anyways. Look at Sol. Sol's up 17% in the last 37 minutes. Bro. Oh, my Lord. What did we just say about Sol? Dude. Sol's up 17% in the last 37 minutes. Bro. Back to $20 Sol. Let's go. Up 20%. Come on, man. Give it to him. What else we got? All right, let's do some other. I mean, dude, Sol's going to 27, man. Sol, we just said it before the month. It's going to 27. There's nothing there. It went straight down. Now it's going to retrace that whole FTX dump. you know. I mean, it is what it is. You've already seen Bitcoin do it. I'm sure Bitcoin's pumping too. Oh my Lord!
Bruh.
Asia's up, baby. This is great, man. This is great. 21K, just like that. We just said Bitcoin's going to 21.3. It already up at 21K. That's great. Oh my Lord. I told you guys, we haven't seen the God candle yet. We have not seen the God candle yet. 40 minutes, Bitcoin's already up 6% on the day. In 40 minutes. Let's go, man. We haven't. Oh my God. I kind of feel sorry for the bears right now. Because it's people that sold at 15K. Oh my God. Bears. Oh. Don't hate yourself, okay? I kind of feel bad for the Bears. Anyone else kind of feel bad now? I've been trolling them the whole stream here. I kind of feel bad now. Man, I don't know what to say. I'm sorry. If you sold because the FTX dump and Coinbase FUD and Binance FUD, but I kind of feel sorry for you, man. I kind of feel sorry for him now. He said, what the hell? I don't feel sorry for the Bears. They had 2 months. That is true. That is true. But hey, man, FUD gets the best of you. You know what I mean? All right. Look at ETH, man. Look at ETH. We said ETH is going to 1667. It's already almost there. Oh, this is freaking great, man. This is great. This is a great stream. It's been a long time since we had this, guys. So, I mean, we're not out of the woods yet. We got a long way to go, right? We got a long way to go for Bitcoin. But it's been, 2022 was a horrible year. And it's nice to see just a sustained green candles, right? Sustained green candles. It's freaking awesome, man. This is freaking awesome. And we're going to see if Bitcoin can make a higher high. Can Bitcoin make the first higher high, a major higher high of the entire bear market? We're about to see probably on stream today if Bitcoin's able to do it. 21,300 is the big resistance. That's the big one. Let me actually do a quick fib. Let me do a fib from the top. Let me just get rid of these bear flags. This isn't even a thing anymore. This has been validated. So all you bear flag idiots, well, not idiots. I'm being a little mean. But all you guys that thought Bitcoin was in a bear flag,
Stupid.
I just said I would stop trolling. Well, there it is. It's gone. I actually thought it was in a bear flag too, so I guess I'm calling myself stupid. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of these stupid bear flags, man. There we go. All right, let's start fresh over here. Yeah, I mean, this is the next resistance here, 21,300. Let's do a quick swing low to swing high to swing low. That also is the 618 retracement right here, right? Right at 21,500 is the 618 retracement. So this will probably be a little bit of a tough position for Bitcoin to break, though. I will say, I mean, if you're trying to short Bitcoin or calling for a dip on any of this move, you've gotten destroyed every single time. Every single time. What I've been saying in the Discord, no pullbacks. I've been trolling on Twitter. I said, what is max pain right now? What is max pain, guys? And I was saying that there's the lows. What would be max pain? What would be max pain? Up with no pullbacks. Why? Most people are on the sidelines in cash. Number one. Number two, everyone thought this was the bottom and sold here because they think it's going to 14K, and Bitcoin doesn't go to 14K. It stops at 15.5 and goes up. That's max pain. Will it play out? I don't know. It's a good start, but that to me would be max pain. It's just you just go up. But obviously we'll see. 21,100. Let's freaking get busy. This might be a little bit of a tough area here. I'm actually going to bring this up just a little bit. Right there. 21,400, 21,500. Right in that area. Let's go back to look at this candle, man. I can't even zoom out fast enough. This is crazy, dude. Everyone becomes an expert when the price goes up. True. Everyone became a macro expert last year. Now we're all crypto experts again. That's always how it is. Anyway, altcoins. Looks like some altcoins are getting some moves. Let's go to the 1 hour. Looks like pretty much every altcoin got a little green Dito. Little green Dito here. Let's see. Yeah, Matic. Look at Matic, man. Matic's. Oh, my Lord. Matic is looking juicy as a mother trucker right now. Look at this. It's getting back above this huge level here. Right? Be careful of the deviation. You want to see a little bit of follow through here. But Matic is breaking this level here. Which last time it did, it got shot up to 130. Like I said, be careful of deviation. It can come up and roll over. But I mean, if you can get, a little bit of strength above here, I mean, 130 looks pretty juicy. And once again, I mean, the daily stock RSI is topped out, but it's been topped out pretty much since the low. So I mean, like I said, a lot of us forget, and honestly, a lot of you guys weren't around when Bitcoin just goes on a run and it doesn't care about indicators, right? It sort of just goes, right? If you were around in late 2020, you know exactly what I mean. If you were around in 2019 at the lows, you know exactly what I mean. Where Bitcoin just keeps ripping up, even though RSI is overbought, stock RSI is overbought. All right, MACD is flipping over, and Bitcoin just keeps rolling, man. A lot of you guys haven't been around in that time. It's called the honey badger. We used to call Bitcoin the honey badger when it just didn't care about indicators. It just keeps going. Is that now? I don't know. It's been so far, but obviously time will tell. Time will tell, man. Let's see. Wayne, peanuts, and corn and all. Wayne, peanuts, and corn, man. Wayne, peanuts, and corn. Let's see. Let's freaking go. Chad said still down 54% for the year. That's cope, man. That's cope. Look at the short term. You can say you were wrong in the short term. Don't say zoom out. I hate when people say zoom out.
Rant alert.
That's freaking cope. That's cope, man. I hate it when the Bears come, or not even the Bears, even the Boulder Bears. Whoever's wrong in the current moment just goes, zoom out, zoom out, bro, zoom out. Like, no shit, zoom out. What are you gonna say? Zoom out until we hit all-time highs again? Bitcoin 30K, zoom out. 40K, zoom out. 50K, zoom out. 60K. That's cope. You know what I mean? You're just gonna say, zoom out. Oh my lord, man. That's cope. Don't be mad that you missed the move up. You're just making excuses. It's okay. You know? Told chat last night to get the gala dip and it's ripping. That is very, very true. Very, very true. Anyways, my little rant alert.
Rant alert.
Oh, man. You can't just say zoom out the whole way up. At some point, you got to make... Yeah. Whatever. I mean, it is what it is. It is what it is. Let's see. David said I'm leaving. Okay, David, have a good one, man. Continue to be a salty bear. It's okay. I'm sure, you know, if you want to be a salty bear, I mean, there's other people making perma bear videos, you know. So, you know, you go over there. You know, you sort of do your thing, and then we go on to the next one. You know, you know. Anyways, Matic. So Matic's find a little resistance there, I guess. Let's see. QNT. I mean, QNT I think looks pretty good too. I mean, daily time frame, you got a nice W formation, right? Left, right, boom. Just gotta get over the neckline, man. The neckline is sitting right there for that little old neckline. Can QNT break the little old neckline? That would be great. Would it not be great? He said bull flag incoming. What, on BTC? This will be the time where Bitcoin pulls back $200. Everyone's gonna say, oh, bull market rally, bear market rally, right? It pulls back. This is what it's done the whole way up. It's rise, little bit of a dip, rise, a little bit of a dip, rise, a little bit of a dip, rise, a little bit of a dip. Bitcoin just pumped 6% in 40 minutes. Of course it's gonna have a little pullback. Oh my lord. Oh, I'm gonna give myself a headache today. I think I'm gonna give myself a little bit of headache today, guys. Just a little bit of headache. A little bit of headache today. Not too much of a headache. You know?
Did Jabba finally get wrecked?
Oh yeah, Jabba did get wrecked. I forgot. Jabba shorted 20,000 earlier. So Jabba did get wrecked. Let's see what he's doing right now. Wait, horse guy, what are you doing? Horse guy.
Those zoom out people aren't watching Tino.
I am literally rich! Jabba, look at my account. I am rich. Come here, look at my account. Look at this. Look at my account. I have never been this rich. Look. That's what my account used to look like. Horse guy. Why did you counter trade me? I thought we were brothers. Jabba, we are brothers, but you got bearish at the low. I could not help you. I had FOMO. I'm sorry, Jabba. Well, I'm wrecked. I can't go on vacation now with Jordan. It's all Savvy's fault. He said he was bullish at 20K. He said Bitcoin would never get over 20K till 2025. Oh, man. There we go. Hey! Let's go. DK said I love this drama. He said Filippo said I got a tear in his eye. Filippo, I'm glad you got a tear in your eye, man. I'm glad. Honestly, I feel kind of bad. I mean, you know, I guess I've been a little bit trolly today, and I guess I'll settle down today. But in the meantime, What else do I have over here, by the way? Just another reminder, guys, that when we were at the lows, the stock market had the record amount of calls since before 2008. Everyone thought we were going lower. Literally, Jimmy down the street, right? I was walking down the street earlier, and this random guy named Jimmy said, "Hey, Jordan, I think we're going to dump lower." And I said, "Oh, why, Jimmy?" He said, "Oh, the news is telling me we're going to go lower. The news is telling me we're going to dump." Everyone on YouTube that I watch, all the thumbnails say major crash coming. And I said, "Jimmy, listen, Jimmy. Everyone thinks this."
Free hops and NY super chat, bro.
I guess I'm trolling again. Jabba's sad. Jabba is sad, man. He is very, very sad. He is very, very sad. Facts on... let's see. Wayne, a seahorse? You made a seahorse cry? Oh, Lord. A seahorse cry. How could you make a seahorse cry, man? That's pretty sad. Anyways, Bitcoin's kind of consolidating here. Let's zoom in a little bit more. It's like the 5-minute chart. Man, it's a big dump, huh? This is a major dump. Look at that, man. That is a huge-ass dump, huh? You'll probably see some altcoins settling down. I'm trying to wait for when are the altcoins going to move? Let's actually check Bitcoin dominance real quick. Let's check Bitcoin dominance. Anyways, I want to remind you guys of this chart when you guys were spitting on my face at the lows. Let's check this in a few months. Bitcoin versus the S&P. There you go. Another one bites the dust. Just wanted to put it out there for you. You know, just wanted to put it out there for you. That's actually breaking up right now. So expect Bitcoin to continue to outpace the S&P for the next couple months. I'm going to move this up a little bit. I'm going to move this up just a tad, right there. Yeah, I expect this to continue. Which I mean, you by the way, if Bitcoin outpaces the S&P, does that mean prices go up? I don't know. You make your own decision on that one. Let's actually go to Bitcoin dominance real quick. Bitcoin dominance. The Bitcoin dominance. Let's see. Bitcoin dominance. So let's see. Oh, that's total 2. Where the frick is Bitcoin dominance, man? I had it on the chart. Where is Bitcoin dominance? Because we need to see when are altcoins going to get a rise, right? Because Bitcoin's kind of having its day, kind of making higher highs. Altcoins are moving up, but when are altcoins going to see a good size move? That's the big question. Let's get rid of this. And if we go to the Bitcoin dominance here, I don't know. The Bitcoin dominance is getting an absolute moon rocket up, and this is kind of been the point, guys. It's when a rally starts, like a true rally, not a little bear market rally. When a rally starts, you usually see Bitcoin take off without altcoins. That could be the case here, right? I mean, this looks like it's coming up here. I would say you're at least coming up to this range, right? So you might see a couple more days of Bitcoin outpacing alts here, right? All the way back up to like 44%. And then you could hit this, could get rejected, and then it's kind of a little mini alts kind of have their little run, and then Bitcoin does, and they just kind of keep taking turns, right? But let's see, the Bitcoin dominance is shooting up though. And if the trend's going to continue, which is Bitcoin, altcoin run, Bitcoin run, altcoin, Bitcoin, altcoin, Bitcoin. It is Bitcoin's turn. So we'll see. I mean, this is another thing. If you were around in 2020 and 2019, you know that Bitcoin can go on its own little runs without altcoins when the market starts to shift at first, right? So this is another good example of that. I still think Bitcoin's going to outpace alts, and just for a little bit longer. I think you can see altcoins really start moving up. But you need Bitcoin to. I don't know when it's going to be. Like, is it when Bitcoin breaks 21.5 and there's a little bit more confidence in the market? We'll see. I think most people are still a little shady. I think if you see Bitcoin break this level here at about 21,500. You're going to have a little bit more confidence in the market. Right now, people are like, you still got a lower high. Is that really that convincing? I don't know. I don't know if a lot of people are that convinced, you know? Reed Hoff super chat. Michael said, I told everyone Solana coin of 2023. Too bad they didn't listen. Mike, you are an absolute stud. You are an absolute stud, Mike. I think you know what I think you need? Mike told everyone to buy Solana in early 2022. He wants early 2023. He wants everyone to know that. Okay, so in honor of Mike calling this Solana rally, and everyone calling Mike dumb, okay? And he wants to call you guys
Stupid.
and he also wants a little bit of this.
Happy and clapping, Vitalik is impressed. Vitalik clapping, 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 clapping. Vitalik clapping, 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 clapping.
All right, let's see. Franco. Let's see. Franco said it makes sense that your girlfriend is from Warsaw, Poland, because we went. She's not, but we went to war and we saw the return of 20K. We defeated the Bears. Vikings assemble. Nice, man. I like the little narrative you put in there. Let's see. Frank, that's what Franco said. Franco, where's your L's, man? We need your L's today. We need some trolls by you. Stubbledore said, those zoom out people aren't watching. Okay. I'm not going to troll my guy, okay? I'm not going to troll my guy here. As much as I want to troll him, I'm not going to troll him, okay? Even though he was trolling, you guys know what I'm talking about. He was trolling the Bulls at the lows, okay? He was trolling the Bulls at the lows. But I'm going to be respectful and just troll the Bears in a general sense and not name certain names, all right? That's what we're going to do here, okay? But, yes. Did Jabba finally get wrecked? Yes, Jabba got wrecked. And can you check Pussycat, Green, Pussycat? We haven't checked Pussy in a long time. Pussy. Anyways, BNB. I like BNB here, man. You still got the wick. You see the wick? You still got the wick of death, right? When you had the major FUD for Binance, they got a massive pump, FUD on Binance. Oh, but Binance is going under. Binance is going under. And you know the people who were saying Binance was going under? The people who were saying Binance was going under
Rant alert.
were the people that were in cash and wanted price to go lower. Always remember this, guys. And this guy said this earlier. Whenever you see people that are fudding, I would guarantee you 95 to probably higher than that. At least 95% of those people, it's because they want the price to go lower, not actually because they believe the FUD. All right. And for kind of the same, it's the same thing on the upside. You know, if you see here bullish news and people like praise this as major bullish news, it's probably because they want the price to go up. Always remember that. All right. Even when you're listening to me, sometimes I might be a little biased. I am a bull. Okay. I do want the price to go up at this point. But always remember that. Anyways, BNB. So let's see. 340 to 399. You still got this big wick. I don't see why they don't come up and take that wick. They never leave those wicks. Everyone thinks they always leave the wicks, but they never leave the wicks. They never leave the damn wicks. It's coming for that wick. Okay? And it's going to come for your wick. All right? But now this level right here looks like a big level. Right across here at 334. Let me zoom a little bit on BNB. Look at BNB. BNB is not even retracing to the EMAs. It's just pump, come back down, pump, come back down, pump, come back down. And we continue back up, right? So let's see. I mean, it's so strong, it's not even retracing to your EMAs. It's just sort of continuing up here. And the 4 hours pointing up, looks, I think this one's got some juice, man. I think it's got some juice on the short-term time frames. I'm hoping Bitcoin does. Bitcoin's sort of like, this is what Bitcoin's been doing. It pumps up, and then it just kind of flags out. It just goes, and then goes again. That's what it's been doing this whole time, right? Comes up, flags out, bears say it's going to dump, comes up again. Comes up, flags out, goes up, flags out, goes up. It's just kind of the same thing here, but we shall see what happens for BTC. Justin said, who the hell is FOMOing Sol right now? Probably all the people that sold at the lows. I'm gonna assume it's probably the same people that sold here, right? The same people that sold here are probably buying back here. You know, which I guess it's a 1-1 split for them. I guess, you know what I mean? 20% on Sol already, dude. That is nuts. That's absolutely nutburgers. 20% on Sol. That is crazy, man. That is crazy. ETH got a wick all the way up to 1602. Pulled back a little bit. Javier says 24K on the table. I do think 21.5 is going to be a tough level here, right? So as much as I want Bitcoin to do 24, 25, let's play it level by level. I'm a big fan of just play it one level at a time, okay? Now, we got 21.5, which is the 0.618 retracement, and this previous high from November 6th, which was the start of the FTX dump. You know, so this is it's a psychological level because of the FTX dump. It's the last previous local high, and it's the golden pocket zone. So I'd focus on 21.5. But if 21.5 breaks, man, I mean, that's the fun part. If we can break 21.5, they're really, I mean, I'm looking up. There's not a lot there, right? I mean, maybe 23K-ish, maybe 23K-ish. But I mean, there's really not a lot there. There's not, but we'll see. Top G, what's going on, buddy? What's going on, Top G? All right, Bitcoin's gonna flag out. It's gonna come back up again. Watch. Bitcoin's not done yet. Don't be going anywhere, guys. You know, we need some hype in the chat. We need some freaking hype today, man. I've been staring at the charts all day today. I went to the gym, right? And I was working out at the gym today. And man, Bitcoin's doing that thing right now where it just stays at the highs, and it's so hard to get off the charts. It's so freaking hard right now. I think I've been on the charts for at least 10 to 11 hours today. I've been on the charts a long time today. Hold on, let's get some hype in the chat. We need some swords and shields. Bitcoin needs some juice, right? For everyone new, make sure you subscribe. We have a lot of fun, okay? We have a lot of fun in this stream, okay? We're not about the boringness, okay? We're gonna talk charts, but we're also gonna have a little fun in this bitch, all right? I want to see the swords and shields in the chat right now. Let's freaking get busy. Come on, let's freaking go. Let's pump up Bitcoin right now. Come on, let's go. Come on! Let's go. All right. Let's see if we can pump up BTC now. Come on, BTC. Give me a little more juice today. Let's see. ETH. Let's zoom in a little bit on ETH because we're a little bit zoomed out on ETH. Let's go like the 5-minute time frame on ETH. ETH with a big spike up. Let's see if ETH has any more juice, man. We'll see. Let's check out some other alts. Alts. Anything pumping right now? Let's see. Tron. Look at Tron, man. Who's in Tron? Let me know. If you got some Tron, let me know. Tron's getting a nice move up. Look at Tron. Not even... I know there's a lot of hate on Tron, right? A lot of people hate freaking Tron, man. You know, a lot of people don't like Justin Sun. You know, I mean, everyone has their different reasons and whatnot. I mean, Tron now... Tron with that nice 6% move already in the day. You're back up to these local highs here. I mean, this is another time where it's like kind of place your bets. You know, place your bets here on Tron. You are at resistance point here on Tron, though. Let's see. Yeah, a lot of your time frames a little bit overshot. Though they've been overshot for like the last 5 days straight. You know what I mean? But let's see. I would say if you're in any type of long position here on Tron, always pay yourself, guys. If you see pumps like this, where something pumps up 6% in 1 hour, and you're in any type of long position, do not be afraid to take profits, okay? Because, listen, we're having fun today. Well, we know, let's keep it real. What did we talk about earlier? At any point, this can come down. So make sure you secure a little bit of the bag, okay, on a move up like that. But then obviously, we start to talk about higher prices. 7.1 cents, possibly, if that breaks. I mean, but Tron, little old Tronny boy, the nice little this Tron consolidation actually looks really nice. Really, really nice. Look at this, man. Look at Tron on the daily. Oh, my Lord. That is sex. That is absolute sex. Look at this chart on Tron. 1, 2, 3. You're right at resistance right now. But I will say, if you get any more of a pump here on Tron, you are gone from the resistance all the way back from April of 2021. Almost a 2-year resistance level. But you need this to break, right? You need a confirmed daily close above. You need a little bit more. A little bit more, man. Just a little bit more. You know what I mean? You're not quite there yet, but that looks pretty sex. That looks pretty sex. If that does break. And yes, I did say it looks a little bit like sex. For all you weirdos out there. Oh, shit. That's not the right song. I did. Okay? Don't get too horny. Because I'm not taking off my shirt. But you know who will? I gotta make money somehow.
Guys, did you know shrimp was spelled
Litecoin. What are you saying? What are you saying, man? Ave. I got you, Sihi. What a name, my man. Sihi? Is that your actual name? S-E-I-H-I? Sihi? Say? I like that. It's very unique. I like that, man. Guys, did you know shrimp is spelled shrimp? Franco, shrimp is horrible. I will say it again, guys. Shrimp is the worst meat possible. I'd rather eat tofu than shrimp. At least tofu, I can put some sauce and not have that nasty texture. Shrimp is awful. Okay? We already talked about this the other day. It goes steak, chicken, turkey, lamb, any type of seafood. Hands down, steak. And by the way, Bitcoin is above 20K. So tomorrow, we are going to be eating steak on stream. So if you want to join me tomorrow, okay, make sure you pick up your steak at the store. Pick up your steak at your favorite restaurant. Take it to go, whatever you want to do. I will be getting steak tomorrow, okay? I will be getting steak. And because we broke above 20K today. That's what we said we were going to do yesterday. I didn't think it was going to happen in one day, but here we are. So, get your favorite steak tomorrow. Let's join me, and we'll have a steak party tomorrow. Okay? It's opposite day. I guess it is. It is kind of opposite day. Let's see. Clint, is Clint coming in and trolling me, or is Clint being nice today? Let's see. Holy shit, just woke up from a nap. Did you draw another red circle tonight? We gonna go up, bad song player? We gonna go up, bad song player? Wait, we gonna go up, bad song player? Clint, are you drunk? Clint, I think you drank too much tequila, my man, or whatever you drink.
He just woke up from a nap, so.
Yeah, but it doesn't mean he wasn't drinking before his nap.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
You never know for Clint. You never know with Clinty. All right. Anyways. Ave. Someone asked for Ave. Ave. Let's see. Let's zoom out a little bit on these bad boys. Let's do a little quick zoom out. Here's the thing with altcoins. Altcoins are interesting, right? Because a lot of them are, you know, they have, I guess, where's the November high on Aave? Actually, it was right here. This was actually the May high. This was November high. If you take from the November high, I guess this one's got a little bit more to go. But look at that move up. That's a nice move up. Now you haven't really gotten anywhere yet, but same point for a lot of different altcoins. You still got liquidity up here, right? You didn't quite take half that vector candle yet. You took about 25% of it. I usually want to take at least half, right? So this level here would be about half. Would be the underside of this and across. This level looks pretty juicy to me right here on Aave, right? Previous lows, previous lows, previous lows, previous lows. 50% of that vector candle there. About 80 bucks on Aave. I still don't see why you don't see that. And I mean, look at the bigger picture here, right? W formation, volume breakout out of the W formation. Boom. I don't see why you don't see 80 bucks at the very, very least. And obviously, we're sort of waiting on the real altcoin moves, right? I mean, Bitcoin's looking good, but we're really waiting on the big altcoin explosions. Like some altcoins are doing really, really well, right? Gala. Oh, that's another good one to check, by the way. Look at, I mean, so many of these altcoin charts are just way extended. At some point, these will get pullbacks, though. Once again, if you've been calling for a pullback all week, you've been wrong every single time. You know what I mean? So, I mean, you're kind of at that point, but you are a little bit overextended on some of these. 4 hours still pointing up, though, right? I still think this could get a little bit higher, depending on what Bitcoin does here at 21K, right? It's still consolidating. It's still sitting at 21K. It has not dumped. You know, as much as the bears just don't have any pressure to the downside. They keep trying to push it down, and Bitcoin just keeps rolling, man. Oh, man, it's fun. It's fun. What was I going to look up? Oh, Gala. Gala went absolutely berserk today. Where's Gala? Gala. Where it's probably pulling back today. Actually, no, it isn't. Let's keep going up. Gala actually broke slightly that 5-cent level. Man, I mean, Gala was up. What was it? This is the 4-hour time frame. Let me go to the daily real quick. Gala was up 26% today. It did crack this wick, all right? I mean, we were saying if that breaks, I mean, 7 cents for Gala. I don't think that's terribly out of the cards. And we know Gala's been the big mover, man. It's been the big mover. And actually, it did reset the daily stocks. And now the daily stocks are actually crossing back up to the upside, funny enough. And if you look at like the 4-hour time frame, woo! Still might have some juice. We need Bitcoin to do something. Come on, BTC. Everything wants to test that 200. True. True, that's a fact. Ajax, Isaac. You guys just want to look at all your altcoins that pumped today, don't you? Don't you? Let's see. Ajax. Man, this one went nuts, huh? Man. Look at that. He came back for the wick, that's for sure. Is this the full chart? Ajax. Let's see. That might not be the full chart. Let me look at Qcoin. Oh, there we go. Look at that one, dude.
Can you check Ajax?
This one went freaking berserk. Holy moly. Let's get a little pump song going for Ajax. I don't know who owns Singularity. There you go. This one's already done a 4x from the low. Shit. Nice, man. 4x from the damn low, bro. Woo! What? That's even better than ETH. I'm gonna get the ETH hat on right now. We need a little juice for ETH here. Holy moly. Yeah, this one is up. Actually, this one's up like 5, almost 6x from the low. That's nuts, bro. That's already nuts. Just from late November. I mean, you're talking about a month and a half of a 6x on an altcoin. That is absolutely nuts. But I mean, Ajax right up to this previous high. I mean, the funny thing is, I mean, if this goes, I mean, look at this pattern, man. That is an absolute beautiful pattern. I mean, even if you zoom out a little bit, right? I mean, it's got the fall, it's got the rise, it's got the second dip, you got the double bottom, you get the rise above, you break the neckline. Man, if right, this one is really, I'm looking at this and there's just not much. I mean, maybe you get a little bit of a stop here at like 28, but I mean, there's really not much until the all-time high. And I know that sounds crazy. I mean, does it? I mean, it's up 6x from the low. Getting it to the all-time high is about another 4x. I mean, so it's not that otherworldly, but there's not much there. If a singularity breaks this, there's not much there. But this could be a point where you get a pullback, and the shorter-term time frames are a little overbought, right? The question is, do you want to bet on the trend of a pullback? Because I've been saying, if you've been betting on a pullback, you have lost this in the last 2 weeks, because you haven't seen one pullback on anything. It's just been up. You know what I mean? Like, look at Bitcoin the last 2 weeks. You bet on a pullback or you short, you've lost every single time, unless you're doing a quick scalp. You've lost. But I feel like this is deja vu. You guys remember in 2021, in the summer of 2021, right? Where Bitcoin went to those summer lows at around 29,000, and it went from about 29,000, I think, to like 45,000. And that whole way up, we kept saying at some point Bitcoin's going to have a pullback. It's going to have a pullback. It's going to have a pullback. It's going to have a pullback. And it did not have a pullback the entire damn time. I think let's go look at it. It's probably better. Let's just not talk about it. Let's look at it. This move up right here. This one right here. Okay. And this whole way up, we were calling for a damn pullback that just never came. It just going and going and going and going and going and going. And then you get a quick pullback, and then it went again. But I mean, we'll see, right? I mean, it's sort of that funny little thing, because every $300 move, you got people calling for a pullback at that level, but they've been wrong every single time on this way up. So I don't know, man. It's an interesting point in the market. I will say that. Very, very interesting point. Here comes Shib. Where's Shibalol Shibanichi? K-Day became a member. What's going on, K-Day? Good to have you in here. Good to have you freaking in here. All right, let's see. Shib. Someone said Shib is about to pump. Let's see. Oh, Near. Oh, look at Near. Oh, Lord. Look at Near, man. Oh, this is great. This is great. This is absolutely great. Oh, man. The Bears right now. The Bears. Hey, Bears. You guys see the poll here in the Bears. I said, can Bears answer? Where did the money come from? Bears, I mean, I will say this. One more troll for me. The most three popular things down here. What was the most three popular things that I was hearing? One, where is the money going to come from? Two, what narrative is going to cause a pump? And three, you're dumb for being bullish. Okay? And especially number 1 and 2. Where's the money going to come from? Where's the narrative to pump? Okay? That's all I got to say. All right. Anyways, Near, $2.08. What are we looking at for Near? Near got blasted because of Alameda, right? Got absolutely blasted. Let's see. Let's see Near. Near actually broke the all-time high resistance line. Look at this. Look at this. Right? From April 2022, 1, 2, 3, 4, Near is officially above the all-time high resistance line, my guys. That's pretty dope. And I look up for Near, which Near got blasted, right? Alameda had to sell off a lot of Near. I think FTX did too. They were holding a lot of it. And just kind of like Sol, right? Near is coming back from the dead. You're going to see a lot of these, right? Near, Sol, AVAX, a lot of these alts that got blasted because of that. I think you're going to see a lot of those start making a comeback, man. You know, we look up here. You still got the... I think Near is going to come all the way back up into this range, bro. I do. I think you're going to see it come up to at least test 282, which was the underside of this resistance and the middle of that vector candle right there. Right in this range. And I wouldn't be surprised to see it come back up and come right back into this channel, which it was consolidating in June to October, right? You come back up. Eventually, you could have a pullback here and there. If you see you have an hourly pullback, okay. It doesn't change the bigger picture. But, you know, you probably make your way back up here. You retest. But I do think you eventually come back up and you end up consolidating in here. You know, pretty similar to like the Bitcoin pre-FTX crash, similar to seeing Solana right now. I think you see it make your way back up. Okay, slowly. It might not be fast. Okay, just putting that out there. Just putting that out there, just a little bit, just a little bit. Anderson said I still have my Near. Me too, man. Me too. Eventually, we'll get it back into that consolidation range. Eventually, we'll get back to the pre-Alameda dump. You know? Let's see. Oh no, Bitcoin's got an M formation. It's gonna dump. We've seen this. It does this every time. But we'll see what happens with this one. Is this M formation gonna play out for the first time in this run? Let's see. Every single time, and I've noticed, and I've been watching the short-term charts. It's like rise, it makes an M formation. Right, and then it kind of just it kind of like stalls out here on the dump, and then it comes up again. But we'll see. We shall see. Let's see. Matic's popping off. Everything's popping off, my guys. Everything's popping off. Literally everything. Is ETH coming back up again now? ETH is kind of consolidating too. Little consolidation nation. ETC, SHIB. Yeah, SHIB just got a nice pump. Finally, dude, SHIB has been kind of slow. I'm waiting for the SHIB pump. I'm waiting for my little friend, okay? Doge Santa, for the Santa Claus rally on Doge and SHIB. A little bit late, right? About a month late here on the Doge and SHIB Santa Claus rally. But let's zoom out on SHIB. Because, I mean, guys, just look at the SHIB chart. Does this look... Like, just look at the structure of the SHIB chart, right? Just look at the structure. The structure to me looks really nice on SHIB. It's really the bear market structure, the sideways consolidation from June, right? You're talking 7 months of consolidation here. 7 months. You tap the support once. You tap the support twice. This looks like a nice kind of... I mean, for crypto terms, healthy, right? Dump and consolidation. Time will tell. And we sort of do, a little meme trend line here, because you could draw the meme trend line here. You could draw here, whatever you wanted to do. We draw a little meme trend line, and you are, I guess, trying to peek your head above it now. But we'll see. We'll see. He said shorts getting liquidated again? You think so? I don't know. I don't know. But if we zoom in on SHIB, obviously you got a nice little pump there. I'll say it again. Like, most alts are a little bit overextended. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not looking for longs right now. I'm not looking for buying anything at the current moment. Everything's a little bit heated. At some point, it's gonna pull back, but I'm also not gonna call for a pullback at any point, because listen, I've seen people on Twitter that I follow call for like a pullback 10 times in the last 2 weeks, and every single time they've been wrong. It's like, oh, 17K, right? If you guys follow that Profit Blue freaking
Stupid
guy on Twitter, 17K. Oh, 17, and he just draws a 17K line to 10K. And then he says 17.3K, draws a line from 17.3 to 10K. And then he said 17.6, draws a line, 10K. And then he 18, 10K, 19, 10K, 19.5, 10K, right? He just keeps every single resistance. He says it's going to go to 10K. I mean, sure, one of them you'll be right, and then you're going to say you're a genius. That's not very helpful, no? That's not very helpful. Excuse me. Let's see. Never listen to BB again. He was so wrong. What I'll say about BB, I got to give BB a little praise. Let's have BB on the channel. Come on, BB, come on. Someone's shitting on you in the chat. You need to get in here and tell them how low IQ they are. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, sorry, Jordan. I'm bench pressing right now. Okay, I'm coming up. I'll save the bench pressing for a little bit. What's going on, guys? The biggest channel in the interwebs here. Thank you, Jordan, for having me on the channel. I just want to say for all my haters out there, I nailed this bear market. I absolutely nailed this bear market. I told you guys exactly when time frame. I didn't get the price right, but the time frame, I told you guys at the end of last year, we were going to see a bear market start. Okay. And then I told you guys around this time, right? December, January time frame, we were going to see Bitcoin have its bottom. Okay. I nailed this bear market. For all the haters out there saying, oh, eat the bunny. Well, you low IQ idiot. Guess what? Get out of my chat. I nailed this bear market. You're just salty because you were listening to the perma bears at the lows. All right? Anyways, BitBoy out. I got to go bench press some more. TJ, can you spot me, bro? Spot me. Let me take off my Gucci shirt here. Let me get a regular tank top on. Here, hold on. All right. Anyways. Let's see. Long Litecoin? Bro. I mean, a lot of these, like I said, a lot of these altcoins are just, they've kind of gone, right? Look how overextended you are from your EMAs. And I like the long back test of these. So that right now I'm not looking for that. And I'm also not looking for shorts because, I mean, it's self-explanatory where I'm not looking for shorts. Look at shorts. Do I have it over here? The largest amount of Bitcoin short liquidations since July of 2021. Think about that for a second. The largest amount of Bitcoin liquidations since July of 2021. It shows you how many people were short at the bottom. That's disgusting. That shows you how many people. This chart right here just shows me the amount of people that short at the lows. And I'm like, dude, July of 2021, that was when you had the reversal in the summer of last year, or of 2021. That is nuts, bro. Nuts. The FTX dump could only push you down a few percentage points. And then you're going to dump at the lows? If you were going to dump lower, that was the time. Lord. Lordy. Lord. I'm sorry if one of this is you, but like, come on, man. Come on. Biggest weekly candle in 2 years? Is it really? No way it's the biggest weekly candle in 2 years. That would be epic. Let's see. When was the last biggest candle we had? Let's see. The only one that looks, no, you might be right. Looks like the only one that looks a little bit bigger, or maybe February 2021. So yeah, you're talking 2 years ago. Up to this point, we'll see where we close, right? The biggest weekly candle that Bitcoin's gotten since February of 2021. And it's the one that gets you above the bear market resistance band. And all of a sudden, I zoom out, right? And all of a sudden, and this is what we're talking about, right? 59 weeks before the halving. All of a sudden, right here, looks very similar to right here. Now, don't get me wrong. I mean, do I think we pump up like this? No. But I do think we can sort of continue to make our way a little bit higher here, because I've said this. What is the bearish narrative that's going to push us down right now? And this is why I thought this time was a little bit different. Every other time you approach the bear market resistance band, there was always an FOMC meeting, a CPI, something happened that pushed you down. My take is now that you broke it, until February 1st, which is 3 weeks away, what is the bearish narrative that's going to push the price down? You know what I mean? And I'm asking this honestly. If you get an honest answer, you can tell me. Unless you're just making up some FUD, right? Coinbase is going to go down, Binance is going to go down. Okay. Also, a swan is going to come flying through your window and stab you in the neck. Okay. I mean, of course that could happen. But what is the actual thing that's going to happen that's going to push the price down at this point? You tell me. There's no FOMC meeting. There's no CPI. What is the bearish narrative? And that's that. I was sort of saying that in the Discord today and the last couple of days. I'm like, there isn't one at the current time. You know, Metal Gear said recession. Okay, but that's not going to be for a while. You know what I mean? And everyone in the damn mother thinks the recession's coming. You know what I mean? We already are in one. We already had our damn recession. Doesn't mean we can't have another one. But hey, we'll see. We'll see. I see someone talking about horse face. Jordan has a subconscious fear of birds stabbing him in the neck. I do. That's why I said that. That's why I said. If you guys didn't hear my story when I was a kid, I was swimming in the ocean on vacation, right? I think it was in like Aruba or some shit. And there was a giant pelican flying in the air. And I'm like, oh, okay, it's a cute pelican. It's just flying, right? Looking for fish. Nothing wrong with the pelican. So I'm just swimming, right? I'm looking for shells, you know, doing what kids normally do. You know, doing what kids normally do in the water. I don't know what you guys do in the water. But I was just swimming. And all of a sudden, I hear a big splash next to me, right? A huge splash next to me. And I look over, and the damn pelican swooped into the water. The damn pelican came swooping into the water, okay? Grabbed my foot. Now, keep in mind, I was a young kid. Grabbed my foot, which it probably thought was a fish, and scooped my foot up out of the water. Scooped me up a little bit. Not out of the water, but scooped me up a little bit, turned me. And ever since that day, I don't like big birds, okay? I don't like big birds. Not Sesame Street. We're talking real birds, okay? And I just wanted to tell you guys that story of why I'm afraid of birds. Not small birds, big birds. But just wanted to let you know. Go Pels. Anyways. Okay, wise guy, start playing the pump song. You want the pump song? We got to wait for Bitcoin to pump. We got to wait for Bitcoin to do something here. Do something, Bitcoin. Do something. When altcoin turn? That's what I want to know. When altcoin turn? Let's see. Ethereum also just kind of crabbing sideways here. So we're getting a little crab stream, but we're sort of resetting the oscillators, right? 5-minute resetting. 15 minutes still got some room, right? Bitcoin, 5-minute is resetting. 15-minute still has got some room for wants to come back up. So I don't think it's terribly out of the realm of possibility that Bitcoin can try higher here. Even though, like I said, at some point it's going to pull back. At some point it's going to freaking pull back. Like this has been absolutely it's like I said, it's the biggest weekly candle since 2021. Been an absolute crazy week. All right. Let's see what we got. Optimism had a big move up. I don't know if you guys are a fan of Optimism. It's a newer altcoin, right? And I love the narrative of the new altcoins, right? During the new altcoins, just tell people to buy Shiba. People want meme coins. Doge, Shiba, Doge Bonk. Just look at Bonk. The Bonk chart's really nice. Can we look at Bonk real quick, Jordan? Look at Bonk. I'm telling you, it's huge. It's going to be the next big coin. I'm telling you, look at it. All right, anyways, let's take off that. There we go. Bonk got destroyed. Optimism got freaking pooped. Oh my God! Here come all the bears. Here come all the bears. I already see them. Let's act like a bear real quick. Look at Bitcoin, it's dumping on the 5-minute. The biggest weekly candle in 2 years. It's dumping on the 5-minute chart. Party's over. Look at this guy. Party's over. Look at this guy, man. Oh, hold on. Let me bring him up. Let me bring him up. Where is he? Where is he? Hold on. Capo is crying right now. Capo just keeps calling for lower, man. He doesn't help anyone. He doesn't give anyone a target. He just says it's going to dump. Okay, that's cool. That doesn't... This is my biggest pet peeve.
Rant alert.
It's easy to say it's going to go up or down, but if you don't give a target, there's no point, right? You can be bullish or bearish, and you can be right, but if you don't have an entry point and exit point, you can still lose, right? How many times have you been right on the direction, but you still lost the trade because you didn't execute it correctly? The dude just says dump every time. He's probably got stopped out 10 times on this move up. You know what I mean? Let me see. Let me go down to the beginning here. Let's see. I'm looking for the bears in the chat to show on the screen. Let's see. Now you guys are hiding now. You guys are hiding now. You guys are waiting for a red candle. You're waiting for a 5-minute red candle. That's what you're doing. Knucklebuster said, "I'll show you my wiener if you do algo." Sure. Just don't show me your wiener. You know, let's just keep your wiener in your pants, okay? And I'll look at algo for you, okay? But just please keep the wiener in the pants. We don't need wieners on the stream. YouTube will not like the wieners. Where's algo? Look at algo, man. So algo's came up and that was my target on algo, right? Algo's came up and took in, I believe, the top of that daily vector here. Yep. But it just continued up, right? See, here's the thing. If algo stopped right here, that would worry me a little bit. But the fact that it just kept going above that, listen, I'm looking. Algo's another one of those coins that was heavily sold off on the FTX dump. I think it's going to retrace the entire way back. Why? Look at this. Everyone wants to talk about liquidity to the downside. They never talk about to the upside. Look at this. Look at this, right? I think they bring it all the way back up to at least 29 cents. And honestly, if the bigger picture breaks out, which you're already seeing a lot of altcoins do, this is a nice longer term wedge formation, which eventually, I wouldn't be surprised if you take this one all the way back up at 41 cents, 42 cents. But let's play it level by level. At this point, I think you're going to see 29 on algo. I don't see why you don't. I mean, it's pretty much a V-shaped recovery if you've ever seen one on Algorand there. Let's see. But I mean, the short-term time frames, it's sort of the same deal. It's another one that keeps slightly resetting, continuing, slightly resetting, continuing. But algo, man, I think we need a little pump song for algo. But we need a little bit of a different juice for algo. You know what kind of juice we need. You know what kind of juice we need. Get your trumpets out, bulls. Get your damn trumpets out. One trumpet. One trumpet. That's all we need. All right. Someone asked a good question in the chat, by the way. Leo Swipes asked, how would you find a good entry?
I think whatever happened, the bottom is in. Much love, my og.
Dimitri coming in calling the bottom. I like it, man. 1 second, Dimitri. I'll get you in a second. Leo Swipe asked a really good question in the chat. I actually want to show it in here because a lot of people have the same question, right? And I could maybe troll a little bit on this. I'm not gonna lie. I'll try not to. I'll try to answer it seriously. Hold on. Let me just reset this real quick because this needs a little reset here.
You called him hair.
Hair?
Yeah.
Hair?
You said hair.
Hair?
Hair?
Mind checking.
Her?
Think we will hit
I don't think I said her.
0.006.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Why isn't this working, man? Come on. There we go. There we go. Leo asks, how would you find a good entry on a bull pump like this on BTC, given it could dump at any time overbought? Now, I could be a little troll on this, right? I mean, here's the reality of the situation, man. And this is why trying to time the low can sometimes backfire. Because you get put in this situation, should I buy now or should I wait? You know what I mean? Now, I could troll you, and I want to troll you. And maybe I'll have George troll you. And then I'll give you an honest answer, okay? I am George. We're all George. Listen. You had months to accumulate lower. Months, right? You had all of November and all of December to buy at 15 and 16K, right? Why didn't you buy then? No, but if you want an honest answer, it's a tough one, right? You got to make that decision for yourself because crypto is a different animal, I will say. Because listen, Bitcoin can just roll back over and go back lower. It also can just go to 30K. No one really knows, and that's why crypto is such a different animal because it can just turn on a dime. Look how much sentiment is shifted. Down here was one of the worst sentiment I've ever seen in crypto. Now, go a week later, people are pumped. You know what I mean? Like, and that's what's crazy about crypto. So you have to make a decision for yourself. Do you want to wait for a pullback to buy? But you also have to ask yourself, what if it doesn't pull back? What's my plan, right? And you have to decide, is it worth it for me to just FOMO in, which let's keep it real. At some point, if the price keeps going up, you got to FOMO in. Not saying to do it, or you wait for a dip. But the question is, what if it just goes to 24K and then it dips down here, and you could have bought here, but you didn't because you thought it was going to dip here. You know what I mean? Like, you don't know. So you got to make that decision for yourself. No one can answer that question for you. Because let's be real. FOMO in here could be better if the price goes up here first and then pulls back, right? And then you buy here. You just don't know. You don't know, to be honest with you. What I will say is this is probably the biggest resistance Bitcoin has right now. Is about 21.5. I don't FOMO, right? So if I was out of the market right now, I personally would wait. People would disagree with that. That's just how I roll. I never like to buy green candles. That's the number one rule for myself. Do not buy green candles. You know? So for me, like if Bitcoin pumped to 25K and then the first red candle was 24K, 23K, okay, I mean, so be it. At least I did not pull a horse guy and FOMO, you know? It's a really tough question to ask because you'll have people say, just wait for a dip. Okay, that's easy to say, just wait for a dip. But what if that dip doesn't come? No one ever likes to say that. It's easy. That's the cop-out answer. Just wait for a dip, bro. Wait for a dip. You know what I mean? That's such an easy way to say it. I don't know, man. You got to make that decision for yourself. I have no idea. It could dump, it could pump, whatever. Everyone's going to have a different opinion. Anyways, let's go back over here. That was a good question, though, my man. I wanted to point that out because a lot of people have that same question. And I always say with this, do not listen to what anyone else says. Because I might say one thing, but you also have Joe down the street who says another thing. You also have this other guy on YouTube who says this. And then you'll be thinking this way yourself. Trust your gut. Your gut, man. At least, because if you trust your gut, at least you can blame yourself if it's wrong. You know? So, that's what I'll say. And then you can learn from it, right? Learning from your mistakes is always the best thing because you don't want to have to ask other people. You want to be able to make that decision for yourself at the end of the day. That's why, like, I don't agree with, like, trading groups and stuff like that. It's like, does that actually make you good? No. I mean, you're just, other people are telling you stuff what to do. You got to do it yourself. All right, 20,881. Come on, BTC. All right, here's the deal. We did this on the last stream. If BTC can reclaim the M formation lows, watch out, right? This was what we said last time. And it actually ended up working out. We had to get off, but it actually ended up pumping again. So we'll see if Bitcoin can reclaim, get above here. We could see another move. And ETH, look at ETH, man. ETH, it dips and then it just goes sideways. It's been the move. It's been the move. He roped into this. Let's see. 17K inbound. We'll see, my man. We'll see, man. Link is pumping. We don't like when Link pumps. That's another good thing about this run. Is what's different about this run? Hold on. You guys we need the moon helmet back on. This is ridiculous. Where's the moon helmet? What's different about this run than the other ones? Link hasn't been outpacing the market, right? Link has actually been lagging a little bit. Now, it's not great for my Link long. It's still doing well, right? Shout out to all my haters. Tell me not to long Link down here. Shout out to you. Look what Link's doing now. Shout out.
Stupid.
But it hasn't really been it hasn't been pumping as much as the rest of the market, and that's a good sign. Because we know when Link outpaces the other alts and Bitcoin, it typically signals to the whales, right? The whales come out and signal. They signal the whales, okay? And what happens? Usually the market dumps. But the fact that Link hasn't really been hasn't been like moving fast. It's still going up, but it's not like, oh my God, look at Link. It's pumping the rest of the market, you know? But but I mean, that's a good sign. I would say that is a good sign. Now, if Link starts going nuts here, okay. I mean, then we start then we start sort of being a little bit worried. If Link starts going nuts, it's pumping right now, but everything's pumping right now. It looks like. Could this be the start of the altcoin time? Is this the altcoin time? Hold on, it looks like alts are starting to come up a little bit. Look at Sol. Sol's now up 23% on the day, going absolutely nupper. Man, dude, this is nice. This is something. This is a nice day for Sol. I'm happy for the true Sol believers who bought down here. I did not buy Sol down here, right? I did not buy Sol down here, but for the true Sol believers who were willing to get Sol at 10, 7, 8, right, and already being up 3x from the lows, I am super happy for the Solars, man. Seriously, because they got dragged down because of that little bitch with the shaggly hair that looks like a rugrat, right? And it wasn't their fault, right? It was not their fault. It was the little bitch with the shaggly hair, okay? And now it's time to bring them back. Nice job, Solus. Anyways, all right, Bitcoin reclaimed. There it is. There it is, man. Where's the dump? Hey, Bears, where's the dump you were talking about 5 minutes ago? I don't know. I don't see it anywhere. Does anyone? Anyone see the dump? Anyone? Anyone see the dump? Dump? Hey, Bob, you see the dump? No? Java, you seen the dump? Horse guy, you see the dump? No, not in the toilet, you idiot. No, you haven't seen it either? Oh, that's cool. Yeah, where's that dump? Where's that dump? Where's 17K's coming? Oh, I don't see it. All right, anyways. Let's see. Look at Sol. Holy moly. This was the best setup, man. This was the best setup in the world. It did the exact same thing twice in a row. You can't make this shit up. It's too easy. It's literally too easy. Look at Sol, bro. Good luck. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Almost retracing the entire... I've got a little way to go. But we're almost there. We're almost there. 27 bucks. All of a sudden, 20. Remember down here, I was saying, listen, I don't think it's impossible. Sol can get back up to 27 bucks. All of a sudden, it's not that far away. It's not that impossible anymore. ETC. Look at ETC getting a little juice. Okay, ETC. I love the ETC chart too. ETC on a bigger time scale. Look at it's doing the exact same thing from over here. Right? Big move down. You got a downtrend of resistance. You break back above your EMAs. You rocket to the moon. Same thing. Downtrend of resistance. You break above your EMAs. It's the same damn thing from the same damn low that people were getting bearish at. The same thing as last time, bro. It's the same damn thing. Again. But most people, once again, will be bearish. So basically, if we draw this in half, people will be in disbelief on the first half. They'll be in euphoria on the second half. This is when we'll switch here. And then we'll switch back over here. If we, I'm spitballing here, but disbelief and euphoria. We'll put it up there. Disbelief, euphoria. It's always when you hit the 0.5 retracement. Euphoria, disbelief. Okay. I'm done trolling. I'm done damn trolling, dude. I am. I'm seriously done. No, I'm not. I'm never done trolling. I'm never done trolling. You know why? Because it's great. Because I got trolled forever. So now you got to get it back. Come on. Can you check Ocean? This is like Jordan's garden. He's talking to his little plants. That's so true, man. I'm like walking around watering the plants. You know? That's great. Bathwater said, what is this, TikTok? Hey, TikTok, don't hate on TikTok. No, I think TikTok is so annoying, bro. It makes your brain just mush, right? 5-second video after 5-second video after 5-second video. Soon it's gonna be 1-second videos. People have the attention span of a freaking monkey. God damn. All right. Let's see. Tron just continues to kill it. Let's see, Near. We were talking about Near. Doge. Look at Doge, man. Doge is usually one that's late to the party. Everyone's fudding Doge. But once again, Doge bounces off the same point it did last time. Again, it's almost like you just get bullish at support and somehow it works. I don't know. There it is again. 10.6 cents on Doge. 10.6 cents on Doge. Once again, you probably just don't go straight up. I mean, you might have a little bit of whoop, you know, but same kind of point. 10.6 cents on Doge. I don't see why you don't go up to that point at this point, right? You broke the downtrend of resistance. It's there. I mean, you can get bearish right here. I mean, sure. I mean, this, okay, sure. I mean, you're just being bearish because you probably just want it to go down. I mean, cool. Vector candle incoming. Let's see. Vector candle. You seeing a big volume up? We'll see. We'll see. I mean, usually, what I've seen in this move up. And this could change at some point. At some point, it's going to change, but it seems to be a big, violent move up. That's not that big. And then kind of just a little bit of a sort of sideways, slightly down, right? Cool off for like an hour, and then then it's up again. I mean, that's been the trend for almost a week now, right? No pullbacks. I mean, I've been saying this. You saw my Twitter. You see in Discord. I keep saying Max Pain is no pullbacks. Why? Because probably 75% of people are in cash and they're looking for a pullback to buy. Max Pain, don't give them a pullback. It's sad. I mean, it's harsh. It's the opposite of a bull market, though. You know? In a bull market, people don't want pullbacks. In a bear market, people want pullbacks. It is what it is. Though, might just dump ready for bed soon. No, now that you reclaim this, I don't see this dumping. To me, if this was going to dump, I think you would have saw this, rise, retrace, back test the M formation and dump from there. The fact that you get a close above this, now you're consolidating back up here. I like this. I like this, man. I like this. Just watch. Watch it. Watch the magic unfold here. Just watch it. No Max Pain. We got Max Bidding. Max Pain. You take him in the hot and you rip the hot out. That's what you do. Is Savvy in here? Stumbledore said, though, it might just dump ready for bed soon. Oh, that's what you said earlier. Bullish Crypto said, do a trend line from top of the Doge. It's broken it and back tested. from the absolute top of Doge. Let's see. Yeah, Doge chart is very similar to Shiba chart, where you sort of had the year of down, and now you've kind of had 6 months of sideways, right? So, yeah, I mean, this was a clean break, a clean move up, back test. We'll see if you get the continuation, but I can see what you're saying. I can see what you're saying, bullish crypto. Dan said, I know when I pass the hood when my signal goes out in Chinatown. Where are you in Chinatown right now? What Chinatown? I mean, I think every city has a Chinatown, right? I know Boston has a Chinatown. After. I know China has a Chinatown. Boston has a Chinatown. I think every city has a Chinatown. You know? And my question is, and this is not meant in any way, why does every city have a Chinatown, but they don't have, like, you know, any other ethnicity town or country town, right? It's always Chinatown and then and then the rest, and then random names, you know. just a random thought. I was thinking about this last time. I was like, why is there a Chinatown, but there's no, like, I don't know, India town or Egypt town or, you know, I don't know, Mexico town, right? Well, why is there no other towns? It's just Chinatown. I always wondered this, which is cool, man. Which is cool. All right. See, yeah, I mean, ETH is just continuing sideways, Bitcoin continuing sideways, but I don't think this is over. I don't, man. I'm still, you've already seen a 5% pump on Bitcoin. You've already seen a 7% pump on Ethereum. This could be the God candle day, right? Everyone think that it's probably over now. Imagine a second leg to this. Oh my Lord. This could be the day of the God candle. And Bathwater was saying it in the Discord. Every time Bitcoin's gotten back above the daily 200 moving average, Bitcoin usually gets a massive green candle. Massive. We'll see if we get a second leg today. Or technically tomorrow now. I mean, it's technically the next day candle, but you get the point. Man. Yeah, see, now altcoins are starting to roll. Here we go. Here we go. I was waiting for the altcoins to start to roll. We got Doji coming up. Where's all the Dojas in the chat? Get them out here. Come on. Where's my Dojas? Where's my Dojas? This is great. Where's my Dojas? It's time. We push back the Fudsters. Here we go. Oh, man. Someone said, imagine selling at 16K. Oh, man. Don't do it to him. It's too early. No, it's not. I've already been trolling. Hey, man, listen. Coinbase is going to go down. Coinbase is going to go under. Binance is going to go under. It's over. It's over, guys. It's over. And I said this in the Discord today, too. I was like, if the bottom is in hindsight, that would have been so obvious, man. Everyone and their mother, literally, you could probably go to freaking, I don't know, Jorge that lives down here and probably think, hey, man, what do you think about 2023? And he probably would say, it's going to be a bad year. Recession's coming. Big crashing coming. You could go to anyone. And even the biggest bulls were worried in 2023. Now, I'm not sure what's going to happen in 2023. I told you guys, I think we're going to see pumps and dumps in 2023. You might just start out with a pump. Here's the deal. It would be so, in hindsight, it's almost the opposite sentiment that was at the 2021 highs, no? where even the biggest bears were a little bullish, you know? But anyways, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see if it plays out. We'll see. Yeah, that would probably be Max Payne. Max Payne down there, man. Just doing the opposite. Imagine buying at 69K and selling at 15K. Oh, man. All right, here we go. 21K. Bitcoin testing 21K again. Here we go. 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 Max said Jorge works hard, man. He might know some things. He might know some things. He might know some things. Oh, here's Emilio. Here we got another zoom outer here. He's trying to cope that he missed the pump. He missed the pump, so he's trying to cope. Right? The only real volatility we had in 6 months, the only way you could have made money in the last 6 months, he missed the entire move, and now he's trying to cope. Here he is. Here he is. Let's read it. Let's read it. Here's Emilio. Let's get Emilio up here. Let's get Emilio up here on the chat. Here we go. Here's Emilio. We got him up. I love how Jordan pretends the bear market is over. When he just means to zoom out. Zoom out, bro. Bitcoin's at 30K now. Zoom out. That's why he's on the 5-minute chart. Oh. Jordan just needs to zoom out, man. I'm just in all cash, so that's why I'm trolling. Oh, man. Hey, it's okay. Stop coping. Stop coping. Stop coping. I hate when people say that. Zoom out. Okay, cool. Cool. I can zoom out, but I still made money on the way up here. I still made money on the way up. Did you? Did you?
Nope.
You were calling for 8K the whole time. Probably getting stopped out over and 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 over.
Nope.
All right. Anyways, 20,928. There we go. All right, here we go. 20,905. Come on, BTC. Oh, man, you little troll. You're really going to do this? It likes to do this. It likes to wait until I get off, and then later it likes to do the next leg. It is what it is. It is what it is, man. Let's see. Yo, that was 15 minutes ago. True. Look, just looks like a looks like Emiliano. All right. Doge chilling. Look at Sol though, man. Sol's now up 28%. People keep trying to short Sol, dude. I'm not gonna do it. But no, Sol just keeps killing it, dude. Sol just keeps killing it. I mean, we sort of said it dipped on the daily stocks and it crossed back up to the upside. So this one's got some juice, dude. It's got some juice.
Can you look at
TWT, nothing ripping. Yeah, nothing's ripping. I mean, everything's ripping. Every single thing is ripping at the current moment. You could long a goldfish and you probably make money right now. Except for the people who keep trying to short the move up.
Stupid.
Oh Lord, you can literally long a goldfish. Like you can grab a goldfish from the. You can go to the fish store right now, grab a goldfish, and say, "I'm gonna long you." A quarter would probably fall out of its ass. You know what I mean? Like a quarter would come out of a goldfish's ass if you told it you were gonna long it right now. But instead, you keep shorting.
Stupid.
and started watching your channel in May. I have learned so much, and I 100% believe this is the best channel in crypto, brother.
Yo, Mean Tang.
What an amazing day long.
Mean Tank said, I started buying crypto in April 2022 and been watching your channel since May. I have learned so much and 100% believe this is the best channel in crypto, brother. Side note, what an amazing day. Thank you, Mean Tank. That is, oh my God. You're going to make me cry, man. You're going to make me cry. You're going to make me cry, man. It is an amazing day. It is. Don't make me cry like this on stream. No, I'm not going to cry. I'm not lifer. I love you, man. I love you guys. I love you. Does it look real? Does it look real? Do my tears look real? All right. All right. Anyways. No, dude, that's freaking awesome, man. Appreciate you, dude. I'm glad we're having fun, man. I mean, this is. I will always say this, man, and a lot of people don't believe this, but if you made it through 2022, you are already 75% of the way there. Typically, that's the worst year of crypto. Is every 4 years you get one really bad year, and then typically you get one decent one, and then two really good ones. If you made it through 2022, you're already there. You've already been battle tested, and you've learned a lot. I think the biggest thing with the bear market, like this is all fun, guys. Green candles is fun, but the thing about everyone that's here right now is, I bet 99% of people who have been here in the bear market, there's still not new people coming in. New people don't come in until you get way higher, which is the exciting part. Here's the deal. You guys have probably learned so much in this bear market. I know myself, I've come such a long way since end of 2021 to now, right? You've learned so many things, and that's what a bear market does. It teaches you so many different things. And I'm thankful for 2022. Yeah, it was a horrible year. It was pretty much down only with no pumps to the upside. But man, what a great year to learn stuff and get ready for what I think, again, is Bitcoin's going to do the same thing that it always does every 4 years, but people doubt it every single time, and it always comes back. So, hey man, we're going to kill it. Especially these next 3 years, we are going to absolutely destroy it. Everyone that stays here. Most people won't. Most people will probably be gone this year at some point. Anyways, 21K. Come on, BTC. Come back up, boy. See, you watched the magic. You got back above the white box. You held it as support. You reclaimed. Now watch the magic. Just watch it. Just peep it. Peep it. All the bears fell for the deviation. Nice job. Nice job. You fell for the deviation. Good job. Next time you'll get it. Now we go. Now if it wasn't on stream, that would have been a nice long opportunity. Unfortunately, but we're streaming, so we can't do that. We can't. For everyone that was, why are you on the 5-minute chart? We're on the 5-minute chart because really, I mean, if you go to the 1 hour, it doesn't really help you much right now. So I mean, we got to go with the short-term time frames to see the price action. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, but that's not gonna work. Oh man, look at Sol, 31%. Holy, bruh. In 2 hours, 31%. That is crazy, dude. In 2 hours, bro. Come on! 31% in 2 hours. Give it to him. If you got in Sol right here, if you long Sol right here, you're freaking killing it, man. I wish I would. I did not long Sol, unfortunately. But you're absolutely killing it, man. The setup was there. I didn't take it, but the setup was freaking there, dude. Oh man, nice freaking one. It's going to 27. It's going to 27. If you don't think it is, well, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you, man. It is what it is, dude. You guys are baking. Some of you guys buying Sol down here, you guys are baking it in right now. Holy guacamole. Holy guacamole. I'm just here for the God candle. Make my soul shine. You're here to hang out with the fam, man. That's what you're doing. The God candle is coming. It's coming, my man. It's freaking coming. Zayad said, can you look at Spell? Let me check out Spell real quick for Zayad. I'm sure it's going nuts if you want me to, if you want me to look at it, my man. Yeah, look at Spell, dude. Look at Spell. Spell, I mean, let's zoom out a little bit. See, this one's still got a little ways to go. You're not even really close to that downtrend of resistance, really. You got a long way to go. Long way to go. But in the meantime, you're making some progress. Short-term time frames. What can I say about the short-term time frames? They're all overbought. They're all in a typical time frame. I would say you're probably going to get a pullback here, but you're just not. You're just not. So I mean, this is why I keep saying I could call for a pullback, but I'm doing you guys a disservice by calling for a pullback. Like all these people that keeps calling for a pullback every $300 because the RSI is overbought. Yet things keep pumping 10% every single day. I don't know what to tell you. You know what I mean? I'm just being honest. So, I mean, Spell, I'd be looking for 7.6 or so. If it breaks that, I mean, then you break the downtrend of resistance on the bear market. And, I mean, you've seen what some other coins have done since you've done that. So, we shall see, man. Patience, 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 patience. Bitcoin 21, there it is, back at the highs. I mean, that was fast. No? That was fast. What happened to all the bears that were calling for a dump right here? Where'd they go? Bears? Hey, bears. Bears. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't have my moon helmet on. Sorry, guys. Bears? Hello? Anyone? All right. Let's see. ETH also coming back up. See, ETH is going to get another move up. I already know ETH is going to get another move up. Why? Look at the wick. It's not going to leave that wick right there. So whether you think ETH is going to dump it, it's going to come take this wick either way. All right? So I can't be bearish right now for this exact reason. ETH will take this wick. It's not going to leave this wick here. It's not. So even if you think it's going to dump down here, it's going to come back up for the wick. I think it's going to come up now. But at the same point, it's going to come take this wick, bro. It's not going to leave a $50 wick to the upside with not retaking it. No way. Not a chance. Not a freaking chance. He said barely chatting. True. Barely chatting. Barely chatting.
Sold my soul for BNB after SB fraud. Not bad, but damn.
Let's see. Justin said, every time I want to sell at resistance, I remember Jordan saying, do you have the balls or not? No, always take profits, man, right? I'm wearing the moon helmet right now, but especially if you're in like short-term trades, now I think is a good opportunity to take some profits, even though I think Bitcoin's going to go higher. Still, you're still in a tough situation. You still got to make sure you secure short-term profits still. Even if you think his price is going to go higher, right? It goes back to the saying, right? A lot of us wish we probably sold more crypto in 2021, right? Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy, man. Don't be greedy. That's all I have to say. Greed is worse than fear. Greed is worse than fear. Greed hurts worse than fear if you're wrong, So don't always be greedy, Make sure, like I say, especially if you're in short-term trades, that you're up from freaking down here and you're just going freaking nuts. Don't be afraid to secure some profits. If you are in profit, right? There's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that. No one's gonna make fun of you for making profits. I'm gonna say this.
Rant alert.
I will never make fun of someone for taking profits, right? If someone bought at 16K and wants to sell 10% of whatever they bought now, I'm not going to make fun of them. I hate when people are like, oh, you don't got diamond hands, bro. Where's your diamond hands? Oh, diamond hands, bro. You're supposed to have diamond hands in crypto. No. How'd the diamond hands do for you in 2021? How'd that do for you? Right? I wish I sold more crypto in 2021. I'm the same thing. And that's why 2022 was a great learning experience. Right? if I ever see someone make fun of someone for taking profits, you're an idiot. You're literally an idiot because you're probably going to be the same person who holds all the way up to the top, doesn't sell, and brings it all the way back down to the bottom without taking any profits. You know what I mean? Like, never make fun of someone for securing any type of position for themselves. Okay? You're just dumb. You're just dumb. You know what I mean?
Stupid.
Diamond hands is one of the biggest memes in the world. Diamond hands is one of the dumbest things in the world. Unless you really just like don't care and you just want to stash BTC, put it away for 20 years and you just don't give a shit. Okay, right? Not everyone's like that though. Some people want to ride the waves. It's not dumb. It's not dumb. It's not dumb. Mooney said never under 21K again. We're back under 21K. Here comes the dump. Here comes the dump. Oh my Lord, the dump is coming. Oh.
Everybody panic, we're going to 0. Bitcoin's going to 10K.
Here comes the dump. What else do I have over here? Oh, I have this meme. I'm waiting for this meme though. I'm waiting a little bit for this meme. Here we go. This is a good example for right now. The delusional bears cheat sheet. Okay, this is a great, guys. Where do you think we are on the delusional bears cheat sheet? Okay, basically this is the opposite of the normal market cycle. I think this is very relevant to right now. Very, very relevant. Very, very relevant. Where do you think we are on this? I would argue that I think we're on denial. I think we're on the it has to go back down, right? I think we've seen, I will short more on margin. Gotta tell everyone shorting is awesome. Right? And then euphoria. I'm a genius. All those bears are gonna be rich. Bitcoin to 10K end of year. Right? I think we've seen those. That's why you saw a record amount, well, not a record amount, but the most shorts liquidated since July of 2021. We said we just need to refuel for our shorts. We just need to refuel for our shorts. I think we're on denial. It has to go back down. There's no way. There's no way. Right? But we'll see. We'll see. Approaching denial. No, we're in euphoria. You think we're in euphoria? I don't know, man. I don't know. I think we're in denial. I'm a genius. All us bears are going to be rich. This is basically, it kind of looks like the Bitcoin chart. Right? It kind of looks like the Bitcoin chart. Like this was the FTX dump. And then now you're coming back up. You're burping up a storm over there. Hiccuping up a storm. Let's see. All right, Bitcoin. Oh, man. That was a quick dip. That was quick. Euphoria. You think euphoria? RSI is overbought big time. Yes, Clay. But you got to understand, man. The RSI is cool, right? The RSI is a great indicator. I love the RSI. Right? I use the stock RSI every single day, personally. But I also know, and I've seen the stock RSI be at the bottom and dump and keep dumping. I've also seen the stock RSI at the top and keep pumping, right? I've seen that so many freaking times that it's absolutely ridiculous. So yes, I mean the stock RSI and the RSI are overbought. That's definitely true. But I mean it's also been up here since January 7th, which when you were still at 16,700 when it was overbought, right? And if you look over here, look how long this was overbought for. See that? I mean this was almost a month. So, like I said, indicators are cool. They are, and at some point, if you guys have been in crypto for longer than a year, you know exactly what I mean. At some point they don't matter. Is that now? I don't know. But if you, like I said, if you were in crypto in 2021 or 2020, you know exactly what I mean. Is that now? It's a different situation, right? You're not as bullish right now, trust me. But we'll see. We'll see. All right, alts. Look at Bonk. Bonk's making a comeback. I trolled it. I trolled Bonk. And now it's coming back for the comeback. Look at Bonk. Oh, man, look at bonk. It's about to wreck all those shorts to the upside, right? Everyone who's shorted right here, it's probably going to come back for this candle here. Right there, you know? So bonk is about to get bonked out the woodwork right there. Good luck to the bonkers. You probably see a quick little short squeeze on bonk, and then it probably dumps back down, right? Short squeeze, whoop, dump back down on little old bonk. Man. All right, seems like most alts are kind of just chilling now. Chilling like a damn villain. Guy said, sold my soul for BNB after SMB fraud. Not bad, but damn. Oh, BNB's still doing well. There's nothing wrong with it. There's nothing wrong with that, right? I mean, if you say, if you got out of soul, right? I personally got out of soul up like right around this area, right? I got out of soul. This isn't soul, but it looks like soul. Basically, like right when it started dumping, I got out of soul, and I moved it into something else. I forget what it was at the time. But like, if you got out of it here and it's still down here, okay, and you got into BNB, technically you're still net up from that position, right? So you can't be kicking yourself from that, you know? Anyways. Mind checking Jasmine, said Sebastian. My bad, Sebastian. I just saw that now, man. Appreciate that, dude. I just saw that now. I feel bad. Here we go. Jasmine. Oh my God, something's going on next to me. Jasmine is, see, Jasmine's right at, oh my God, there's some chick flipping out outside. I think she's fighting with Bob.
See, you have that energy in you. That's why I'm irking and someone else is screaming when I go.
I didn't friggin' do that, man. No. Stop yelling at me, lady. Stop. Okay? Stop. God, man. Oh, Christ, dude. Get off me, lady. Get off me. I just wanted to go to the store and get meatloaf. I didn't steal shit. Christ, this chick thinks I stole something from the store. What about, do I look like a thief? I'm fat and ugly, right? And I haven't shaved in 3 weeks. But do I look like a thief? No. Get off my ass, lady. Oh, guys. Christ, man. All right. BTC is doping. Oh man, Jasmine though, like right at resistance, right at this 0.004 resistance point. I mean, this is where you want to see it start making some moves, right? Start making a little bit of moves here. She's stealing your cat. Let's see. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 breakout. So Jasmine did break that short-term resistance point, but man, it's got a long way to go, right? I mean, most things got a long way to go, but it's a good start. It's definitely a good start. But I mean, here's your W formation, right? Low, rise, low, rise. Now you just need to break this. We can hear everything, even that lady. Of course you can hear everything, man. Of course you can hear everything. She said I got bad energy because I've been trolling. Hey, I got a troll, man. Yeah, I am a troll. Like I'm not me if I don't troll. All right, here comes ETC. ETC getting the rip. I'm telling you, ETC is about to go nuts, dude. ETC is about to go nuts. Come on, ETC. Give me the juice. D. Kennedy said, leaving Disney. Made $50 while chilling at Mickey Land. Nice, dude. I'm actually going to be there in, I'm actually going to be in Disney in 2 weeks. 12 days. I will be going to Disney as well. I have vacation, guys, by the way, in 2 weeks. 12 days from now, actually, to be exact. History, I want you guys to be prepared for this. History states that Bitcoin does going to dump while I'm on vacation. And that is in 12 days. Take that for what you will. All right? I take that information for what you will. I'm not going to, and all I say is Bitcoin's dumped every single time I go on vacation. It just happened to be that way every single time. So I just want to put that information out there. Will we not this time? I don't know. Maybe we don't do it. Maybe we don't do it this time. But I don't know. I mean, it's information that you do need for your trading strategy that it typically does happen. Man, look at Bitcoin right now. See, Bitcoin, it's just getting no pullbacks, dude. It's getting no pullbacks. It's not giving the bears any entry, right? And they keep trying to short it, and they keep getting hit every single time, man. Every single time. Just I don't know. Like when do the bears stop shorting, right? I mean, my question is, let me ask the bears out there: at what price do you flip from bear to bull, right? And I'll ask you this: at what price do you flip from bear to bull? I'm curious. I am curious, and I ask this to say, when do people stop shorting? Okay, because we've seen, like I said, we've seen a record amount of shorts get liquidated this week on BTC. At what point do they stop? I don't know. Let me ask the bears. Let me get rid of this. By the way, we had 2,000 votes on this. Where did the money come from? Let me know. Let me know. Handleton said 22222222. MacG said the 200 daily EMA. Fair enough. Fair enough. That's fair. Psycho Pearl said 30K. That's fair. I'm not going to hate on that. That's fair. I get the 30K narrative. I do get that. All right, that was sort of the previous low. It's been a stair step. I get 30K. That makes sense. 200 daily EMA, break and hold. All of a sudden, here's the funny part, right? It used to be the 200-day MA. Now it's switched to Bitcoin's got to get back over the 200-day EMA. Where's the 200-day EMA? Let's bring it up. Because some of you guys say you need to see Bitcoin get back above the 200-day EMA. So we broke the 200-day SMA, which typically what people look at, right? 200-day EMA. Let's bring, why am I typing 200, man? We can bring up this up. Let me just change this real quick to the 200 EMA. Let me see where this is. Oh, come on. You're going to say it's because we're at it right now. That's why. So if this breaks on a daily close, you're telling me you guys will flip bullish. If the 200-day EMA flips on a daily close. Let me see if there's any relevance. See, why does that have relevance, though? Like, let me ask the bears this. Why does the 200-day EMA have more relevance than the SMA? You've broken above the 200 EMA before and dumped. Right here. You broke above it, you dumped. Right here, you broke above it, you dumped. The 200-day SMA was resistance last time. So this was one fake out. This was two fake outs. So that really didn't have any relevance. I don't know. I think that's kind of splitting hairs. That's kind of looking for something to be bearish about. I don't know. I think that's kind of just searching. That's searching for something to be bearish about. I mean, typically the 200-day SMA is the one to look at. Nope. And I'm just spitballing here. I'm not judging. Everyone has a different way to look at the market, but that's kind of not a random point, but didn't really have any relevance this whole past year. No. Plenty of leverage in the snorts. In the snorts. The snorts. Let's see. Last time I bought at 20, sold at 18, lost 2K. You bought at 20 and sold at 18. Nice, dude. Hey, we've all done that before. I've done that. I have done that plenty of times in the past. Where you buy something high, you buy something a little bit higher and you sell a little bit lower, right? I think we've all done that before. Anyone who says they haven't done that before is probably lying. Not probably lying. They're lying. I don't think anyone just jumps in the market and just starts making just profit. Everyone's sold something for a loss before. Let's see. I mean, all the, it seems like alts are kind of running now, right? All alts are up 5, 6, 7, 8%, right? They're all going nuts. They're all going absolutely nuts right now. Tron's breaking that daily resistance. Let's see. ETH is freaking... Look at Uniswap. Uniswap looks so nice. Uniswap probably finally breaking this local resistance here. 1, 2. Boom. So Uni Little old Uni's looking for 782 here. It's breaking another one. Slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. One by one. Near, we already nose pumping. ETC, we already talked about. DOT. Doge. XRP, Litecoin. I mean, what can we say? Well, I mean, what can you say? And this is why I keep saying, okay, eventually things are going to get a pullback, but good luck trying to pinpoint when a pullback is going to happen. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Here's Bitcoin testing highs again. We'll stay on for a little bit longer here, guys. You guys notice these streams? Whenever we're getting close to towards the end of the stream, Bitcoin's always at the highs. Always. Like literally just chilling at the highs. Every stream. And it doesn't let me get off. Every single one. Some people don't sell if they're down ever, even if it goes to zero. That's true. BTC hitting 21K again. Thank you, Wayne. Wayne, appreciate the shout out, dude. Appreciate the shout out. Little old Wayne. How many peeps we got in here today, by the way? Let's see. How many likes we got, by the way? I haven't shielded the like button today, honestly. I've been too busy going nuts today. My voice is going to be gone tomorrow. I already can tell. But good thing I'll be eating a nice juicy steak tomorrow. Let's see what we got. Ooh, we're back to bull market numbers here. Let's go. Dude, we had... Woo! We're back into almost peak bull market numbers there for viewers. That's pretty nuts. That's pretty nuts, man. That's nice. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. I hope we got a lot of old faces coming back. That'd be nice. A lot of new faces coming in. That'd be really cool, too. If you're new to the stream, make sure you subscribe. We're here every day at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Every single day. Usually I'd be going more nuts right now, but I've already been streaming for 2.5 hours here, so... After 2 hours, usually the energy goes... Right? The energy just slowly jips out of Jordan here, but we're still kicking. We're still cooking. Quicken. Do we need to wake up the... I think we need to wake them up. Let's wake them up real quick. All right, guys. I need everyone... I can't make that joke. I hate the world now. You can't make any jokes. All right, here we go. Everyone spam... what should we spam in the chat? Spam 22K. Everyone spam 22K in the chat right now. And we're going to see Bitcoin get a God candle at 22K. Here we go. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Ready? Look at all the 22K. He's going nuts. Look at the chat. Hit those likes, said Stumbledore. Look at the chat, man. I haven't seen the chat. I haven't seen the chat move that fast in forever, dude. Look at the chat. You can't even read that shit. It's just whoop. Look at the chat. That's crazy. That's awesome. That's awesome, man. That's awesome. That's awesome. Isn't it funny? Like, I think like how long ago was it? Where was Bitcoin down here? The second? 10 days ago. It was just boredom, right? Depression, right? And now everyone's hyped. Look at the chat. I've never seen it move so fast. Oh, quickly, 10 days. And guys, remember this. I want you guys to remember this to the sole reason of how quickly things can change, man. Everyone always forgets, and I hate when I hear people say that's impossible. That's never going to happen. Things can change quick. Quick. Very quick. Ultra quick. You can go from looking so freaking bearish, all the fun in the world, every exchange is going down, to all of a sudden hype in the chat. Out of nowhere. Just remember. And that can help into the downside. You can be bullish as hell, right? Everyone's getting pumped. A week later, 50% dump. Never say anything's impossible. Never. Never, 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 never. Just make sure you got that in your mind. You know what I mean? Make sure. This is the most exciting here thing, guys. Anyone coming in now? Bitcoin breaking the bear market resistance band, which, we sort of, that's been the ticket in the past, right? 2019, or sorry, when you got back above here, right? That was the ticket. 2019, right? March 2020. I keep saying last summer. I feel like I keep thinking it's forgetting it's 2023. But the summer over here. So we shall see, man. Patience. Patience kills the cat. No, patience kills the cat. All right, so cats have patience. No, cats don't have patience. I think it's patience kills the cats. Is the saying. Let's see. 22K. Everyone people still spamming 22K. Look at ETH. There's no sellers on ETH right now. There's no sellers right now, dude. Look, they dump it, and then you just make higher lows on the way up. They go. AP! What's up, buddy? What's going on, man? What's going on, AP? Everyone needs the FOMO win right now. Angelo, stop telling people to FOMO, man. Like, that's not going to do anyone any good. That's never going to do anyone any good. Telling people to FOMO. Curiosity kills the cat. That's the saying. Curiosity kills the damn cat. That is the saying. I couldn't think of the damn saying, dude. I don't know why. I don't know why I couldn't think of the damn saying. Cardano. All right, let's do ADA. Let's do ADA. Let's see. I think we still had. Yeah, we still have some liquidity up here on ADA. 40 cents. 40 cents is the point on ADA. Previous low. You got this vector candle in the daily. It's a decent move there. 12% move. That probably won't go straight up. So if you're looking at DGen 100x long right here, you probably get stopped out. But I think over time it gets up there on the daily. Man, it's super overextended on the hourly, right? Eventually it's going to come and it's either going to do this, it's going to go sideways, let these catch up, right? Or it's going to insta dump, come back down and retest. But most likely the move has been kind of, when you get to a point of, you need to consolidate, it's been more sideways. These come up and then you go again. Right? You guys can see it, the trend over here, right? Not really many dumps. It's just up, just kind of go sideways, come up again, come up, just kind of mosey your way until you pump again. It's not really, it's just a slow, methodical move up. It seems big on like the big time frames, but the shorter term time frames are very kind of methodical, almost. It's very nice. George of the Jungles in the chat. George Jungle. Is that Georgie? Is that Cryptos Are Us, Georgie? I wouldn't be surprised. Cryptos Are Us, George would make a separate account with George Jungle. I could definitely see that because he likes Legos, and I could see him playing with like these little Lego jungle Legos. That'd be super duper cool. Super duper cool. Ready for the E squeeze? 5 more minutes, guys. 5 more minutes. Uno. East about to squeeze up, though. It's taking this wick. It's taking the wick. Wait for it. It's coming for that wick. Bitcoin. Yeah. But ETH is coming for that wick. If you're short on ETH right now, Yo, George Spee. George Spee, I haven't seen you in ages, man. Good to see George Spee. Oh, man. That's awesome, dude. That's an old face right there, George Spee. Holy shit. I haven't seen George Spee in a hot minute. That's dope. That's dope. Super dope. Oh, man. I'm out of energy, guys. I'm out of energy here, man. We've been live for 3 hours, bro. That's a quick 3 hours. Like, I forget how fast time goes by when, like, the market's somewhat exciting, you know? It goes by quick. Whereas, like, when it's boring, like, an hour feels like a long time. Man. There we go. 1560. I just think this is going to squeeze up right here. Look at it. Look at it. Look at this. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. George said I couldn't miss the first pump of 2023. Of course you couldn't, man. Of course you could not miss the first pump of 2023. And it will not be the only pump in 2023. Let's see. All right, guys. 1 minute. One more minute, and I'm out. 1 more minute, and I'm out, bro. 1 more minute, and I'm out. Give me... Should we do a countdown? Well, let's give it one more juice. We need one more juice. Spam the swords and shields, guys. Spam the damn swords and shields. 1 more minute, and I'm out of this shit. If we do it, we do it. Man, we got to start rocking and rolling. Here we go. Ready? Here we go. 1 more minute. Let's go. Wayne, don't troll me, man. Guys, I'm out. I can't do it. I tried to hold it as long as I could. Anyways, I would not be surprised to see ETH squeeze up here. The chart looks beautiful for a squeeze up, right? Big wick, higher lows. I don't see why this doesn't squeeze up. And say ETH, I mean, if I think ETH is going to do it, probably Bitcoin does it too. But we'll see. Anyways, I'm out. I'll catch you guys tomorrow, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Awesome stream. Let's continue the momentum. This is great, man. This is great. I have so much fun when the market's going up like this. I know all you guys too. I can see it in the chat. We got some enthusiasm in the chat. As always, stay caution, right? Stay a little bit cautious, right? We still got a lot of work to do for BTC. Don't be putting your life savings in at resistance, okay? We have fun. Don't be putting your life savings in at damn resistance. Okay? Just know that. Anyways, as always, don't panic sell crypto. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Don't panic sell crypto. But don't be afraid to take profits in the bear market rallies, which hopefully we can stop saying that pretty soon. But I think it's still, you still got to kind of say it, even though we get the weekly close above the bear market resistance band. Maybe we take that part out. Maybe. Just maybe. Just maybe. All right? Peace out, my friends. Later. Catch you guys tomorrow. Peace! In the meantime, I'll leave you guys with a little music. All right? Subscribe if you're new, by the way. Don't miss out. Peace.